Okay. Okay, again guys, good evening sa inyo lahat. Sorry I was late kasi ang dami kong pinuntahan. So yun, let me just do a recap. We had a discussion yesterday about sa mga ginawa natin. I think na-erase ko yung yung ginawa natin. So basically, as far as I remember, yung ginawa natin is we installed a plugins, okay, plugins. Okay, and sa plugins na yon we installed Envato, we installed Elementor. Okay, we also installed live chat or WP live chat. Okay, and we also installed ano pa ba yung install natin? Nakalimutan ko na guys.
Seedprod.
Yun, yung Seedprod. Okay. Okay, so these are all plugins guys. Para, again, sabi ko nga kahapon, kapag meron kayong WordPress, okay, hindi siya magiging interactive kapag yung WordPress nyo is walang plugins. Okay? So, yun, we have to install plugins para maging interactive yung website at para maging functional siya. Okay? So, yesterday what we did is we created maintenance page, okay, with Seedprod. Okay. Tapos after that, minodify natin yung yung maintenance page, and after yung number 1, after creating a maintenance page, ang ginawa natin is ano pa ba? We created a blog site, contact us form, no? Using Elementor. So kung mapapansin niyo guys, yung Elementor, sobrang daming pwede niyang paggamitan. Ang dami niyang elements, ang dami niyang functionality, ang dami niyang basta sobrang daming pwede mong gamitin kapag kayo ay nag-Elementor. So again, yung Elementor guys, this is a plugin. Okay? So ginagamit lang yung Elementor to create elements or section para maging functional yung website. Okay? So Elementor yung most probably ang ginagamit namin is Elementor site origin, okay, para makapag-create kami ng page sa loob ng WordPress. Okay, so today we are going to install a plugin called Woocommerce. Okay? So we are going to install a plugin called Woocommerce. Okay, but yung Woocommerce, we will try to create a Woocommerce website after we create a blog site. Okay, or a blog page. Okay, so kung natatandaan nyo guys, we have homepage, no? We have blog page, we have product page, and then we also have contact us page. Okay? So, yan yung 4 na pages na ginawa natin. Okay? So, to do that, okay? So, ito guys, this is a fresh WordPress website. So, kung mapapansin niyo before, no, nung first day nung session natin, there was a problem, no? So, I contacted GoDaddy, okay, through telephone, and then sinabi ko sa kanila yung issue nung site ko. Tapos after 24 hours, okay, na-resolve na yung issue. Okay, so meron kasi akong ginawa before na yung DNS linink ko sa ibang hosting, kaya yun yung na-encounter niya problem. So we will not go further discussion about the DNS na yun kasi medyo malalim na yun. So ito yung fresh WordPress natin, no? Okay, just give me 1 second guys. Hello? Okay, wait lang guys. Give me just 5 minutes or 3 minutes. If you have any question guys, no, bato nyo lang sa chat. Tapos pagbalik ko, I will answer that. Okay. So, ayan. I'll just leave this open. Just give me 3 minutes, no. Okay, so sorry guys may dumating lang kasi. Okay, so yun, saan na pa tayo? So, balik tayo dito sa WordPress, no? So, ito yung bagong WordPress na nagka-problema before nung first session natin. So, nabalik ko nga siya kasi I just called the GoDaddy support and sinabi ko nga sa kanila yung problem. So anyway, bumili kayo ng domain tsaka hosting, ito yung makikita nyo ngayon sa 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 WordPress nyo kapag nakapag-install na kayo. So today we are going to install a plugin that is called Woocommerce. Okay? So to do that again, so ang gagawin mo lang is go here sa add new sa plugins. Okay? Tapos click mo lang yung add new and then type mo lang yung WooCommerce. Okay? WooCommerce. Okay? Medyo exciting yung yung WooCommerce na to kasi if you are planning to create an online store, no, you can use WordPress, di ba? And then yung WordPress na yan, they can give you a service that they can generate like sales, they can generate product live products, they can also generate payment gateways, no? And then WooCommerce also can serve or can offer or view no customers ano ba yung user friendly ng ng product page niyo. So ang napakaganda nung plugin nito kasi ito yung ginagamit paminsan kapag kayo ay magda-dropship or kung meron kayong local store, no? You can use WooCommerce. Okay, so to start, no, we already look for the plugin called WooCommerce. So just install the plugin, and then after installing that, you can now activate yung plugin. Okay. So by the way, if you want to see this fresh website, no, or WordPress, ito yung itsura pa lang nung blog site. So wala pa siyang laman. So ito na yung natin gagawin nating parang pagpa-practice natin. Okay? So okay, and then let me just install yung Elementor. Okay? And also Invato. Okay. So after installing, no, we have to go to install plugin para makita natin yung mga install natin plugins. Okay? And then we have to activate yung install natin plugins. So Elementor, Invato, and WooCommerce. Okay? So to do that, just check, no, pag bulk yung i-activate yung plugins, check, i-tick nyo lang or i-check nyo lang yung box na nasa gilid ng nung pangalan ng plugins, and then dito sa taas, okay, you can click or choose activate and then click apply. Okay, activated na siya, no? You can now go to WooCommerce. O, makikita niyo dito, no? Meron na siyang additional na parang tools or parang tools dito sa left side ng panel. So, for the meantime, let me just create pages, no? Kasi this is a new website, so we'll try to create pages. Okay, so let me just okay. Okay, let me just type here homepage. Okay, home. Okay. Publish. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Oops, sorry. Click publish para ma-save yung yung page. Okay, then click yung WordPress logo. Okay, and then add new. So by the way, I'm adding pages sa ano natin sa website natin. We have contact us page. Okay, just click publish, no? Okay, then go back again. Click add new ulit. And we have product page. Okay. Products. Okay, and click publish. Ayan. Go back. We have ano na, homepage, products, contact us, and blog. Blogs. Okay. Then click. Okay. So mapapansin niyo guys kanina, no? Nung in-install natin yung ano, yung WooCommerce. Okay. Pag after mo ma-install yung ano or ma-activate yung WooCommerce plugins, mapapansin niyo sa pages, meron siyang additional na pages. Okay? So kung mapapansin dito, merong yung shop page, okay? Tapos merong privacy policy, may account page, and then merong cart page. So when you install WooCommerce, okay, automatically magge-generate siya ng pages. Okay, so pagpunta yun sa pages, mapapansin nyo merong additional pages, which is yung cart page, okay? Number 2, yung my account page, okay? Number 3, yung privacy policy page, tapos yung shop page. Okay, tapos meron pa pala itong checkout page. Okay, so yan yung generate ni ano, parang ginawa ni WooCommerce na pages kasi as default, no, kapag nag ano ka kasi, pag gumawa ka ng online store, automatically kailangan mo ng cart page, product page, checkout page, tapos account page, tapos kailangan palagi may privacy policy. Okay? So, nag-generate ngayon siya ng ano ng automatic pages. Okay? So, let's go here muna sa ano no, sa blog. We'll do blog, tapos after blog, we will now jump to WooCommerce. Okay? So, yesterday we created ano no, contact us form. So now we are going to create blog. Okay, so kung gusto mo mag-blog, 'di ba? Meron kasing mga ano dito, merong mahilig magsulat, no? Tapos yung mga article na yan, yung blog site na yan, you can also apply that in Google AdSense para ma-monetize mo. So for now, we're going to add a blog. Okay, so actually meron akong reading blog article, then we will post that sa ano natin, sa page natin. But before that, no, we are going to we are going to compile all the blogs. Let's say for example, you have you have a blog page. Okay? So pakita ko sa inyo yung ano, yung menus muna para makita natin. Okay, let me just try to fix this one first. Okay, para makita natin yung ano, yung menus. Ang gagawin natin is punta tayo sa appearance and then customize. Okay, so if you pag mag-update ka ng nung design, okay, you always have to go to appearance and then customize. So sa customize, create menu daw, okay. I'll put menu 1. Okay. Primary. Next, and then I will add all the pages, blogs, and then contact us. Okay, I'll remove this one, custom links. Then product. Okay, so contact us will be on the very last. No? Tapos yung blogs will be on pangalawa. Okay, so publish. Okay, ayan. So we have homepage, we have blog page, and then products page, and then contact us. So yesterday we created contact us page. So today we are going to create blog page. Okay, so dito sa blog page na to, dyan mo ngayon ilalagay lahat ng ano mo, lahat ng mga articles mo, lahat ng news, updates, etc. etc. Okay, kung meron kang sinulat, okay, you can compile everything here. Okay, so for example guys, we already have a blog page, no? We want to add articles. no? Para yung mga viewers, they will just go to your website and click blogs. So pipili sila doon ngayon ng mga story mo, okay? Tapos pag may nakita na silang interesting, then that's the time they will read your article, no? So we have to compile every article. Okay, so to do that, we have to create blog page, no? Okay, dyan nila malalaman ngayon na ditong page na to, mayroong mga blogs dyan, mayroong mga articles dyan. Okay, so first thing to do, we have to build first yung itsura ng blog page, no? So wala kayong makikita, it's just like a dead page, wala masyadong information, no? So to do that, we have to go all the way back to the back end ng website or ng WordPress, no? And then go to pages. Okay? And then all the way down, hanapin mo yung blog page, ayan. Okay, you will see the titles here. Okay? And you will also see the kung sino yung author. Okay, kung sino yung nag-edit nung pages na yan. And you will also see kung kailan pinublish yung page. Okay, so I will just click edit. Okay. And then we are going to use Elementor again para mabigyan natin ng design yung natin yung blog page natin. So to do that, I'll just click edit with Elementor. Okay. So ito na naman tayo, gagawa na naman tayo ng kung ano pa ditong pwede natin ilagay sa page natin. So ako ang ginagawa ko kapag gumagawa ako ng blog page, no, kino-compile ko sila isa-isa, no. Tapos kapag may mga post ako, gusto ko maganda yung arrangement ng mga articles. So to do that, okay, ang gagawin natin is again, we have to click yung plus sign, okay, para makapili tayo ng size ng section natin, yung structure ng section natin. So gagawin ko lang yung plain lang or yung isang box lang, no. Then I will post here a piece of code, no? But don't worry guys, hindi nyo kailangan alamin ko ano yung piece of code na yun. Ang gagawin lang natin, no, we have to compile all the articles here sa side na to. Okay? So to do that, punta ulit tayo dito sa Elementor, no? Dito sa side na to. And then search widget. Okay? Ayan, makikita nyo. Then type nyo ng blog. Okay, or post. Post. Ayan. So pag tinype niyo yung post, automatically pag sinabing post, yan yung mga article na ginawa nyo. So kung meron na kayong article, no, you can now compile yung article na yon, and then pwede mo siyang ipakita dun sa blog page mo. So in the meantime, wala pa tayong articles or blogs, no. So ang gagawin muna natin is we have to post first a sample widget, no. So sabi dito yung iba is paid, no. So we'll use recent post. Okay? So yan. So wala pa siyang article. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, no, we have to create first an article. Okay? So we can just update that. Okay? Then we'll just come back kapag meron tayong article. So update, and then click mo lang tong more na icon, and then exit to dashboard. Okay, so itatapon ngayon pabalik sa dashboard mo or sa backend. Okay? And then we are now going to create an article. Okay? So to do that, okay, let's go back sa dashboard natin, sa pinaka-dashboard. Okay? This is the page kung saan kayo ay mag-edit. So let's go back all the way sa dashboard. Okay? Okay, so to post an article, no, or to create an article, okay, all you have to do is all the way here sa left side again, sa panel, okay, ang gagawin mo is click mo lang yung post. Okay, so nandyan ngayon lahat nakakompile ng mga pinopost mo or ginagawa mong article. You can also put it on pages, no, separate pages, but I prefer here sa post. Okay, so click mo lang yung add new sa post, hover mo lang yung mouse mo, tapos click add new post. Okay? And then now, sabi dito, you are now parang you are going to start to create an article or post by adding first a title. Di ba? So, meron ako ditong sinave. Okay. Okay, let me just, ito. Okay, so yung article na yan is how to renew Philippine passport in UAE. Okay, so para madali tayo, no? Para hindi ako mag-construct ng sentences. So ginawa ko na siya in advance. So ang title natin ngayon dito is how to create how to renew your Philippine passport in UAE. Okay? So yung topic na to or yung article na to is if you are going to renew your passport no dito kasi pag nag-expire na yung passport mo, you have to renew it na after before 6 months. Kasi pag nag-expire na siya after the day na na-expire siya, bawal ka na mag-travel. Okay, so we have 6 months policy na before 6 months dapat i-renew mo yung yung passport mo para maka-travel ka. Or kahit pauwi ka ng Pinas, you have to renew pa rin. Okay? So I choose this article kasi ang dami nagse-search dito, ang dami nagtatanong sa mga groups na pinapasukan ko. They are asking on how to renew their passport. So ito yung naisipan kong isulat. Okay, so sa article we have a title already. Okay? So after mo makapag-create ng title, okay? After mo makapag-create ng title, okay, you have to publish it first. Okay? Then after mo siya ma-publish, okay, you are now going to create an article using Elementor. Okay? So kung mapapansin nyo guys, we have the title already, but I want to make my article more parang organized. So we are using Elementor para maging organized yung natin, yung article natin. So after saving the title, after saving the post or publishing it, all you have to do is go to edit with Elementor. Okay, click mo lang yung button na yon. Parang gumagawa ka rin ng page eh. Okay, parang gumagawa ka rin ng page. Okay? So we have the title already, no? And then makita mo yung andito yung menus in your logo, okay? And your yung tagline ng logo mo, okay? And then we are going to post na yung ginawa kong article, okay? So to do that, okay, ang gagawin natin is to add new section. Okay, yung plus sign, just click that. And then I'll choose yung plain lang. Okay, yung single column. Okay? And then afterwards, no? Syempre, mas maganda ang mas maganda ang article kapag merong image. 'Di ba? So pag yung visitor mo binigla mo ng walang image, parang boring naman, puro letters lang. 'Di ba? So ang ginagawa namin kapag kami ay magsusulat ng mga articles, kailangan merong image palagi sa pinaka-top. So to do that, we have to add image, no? So click mo lang to ulit and then sa Elementor, you will see image here, no? Itong nasa side na to, nasa left side. Then you just have to drag it all the way sa gitna. Okay? And then you can now upload an image here. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko na lang is I will try to download a sample image sa Google, but this is not advisable, no? If you can create your own image for your blog post or title, much better kasi iniwasan natin yung copyright. So, dito ang gagawin natin is passport renewal, di ba? Ayan. So, kukuha lang ako sa Google para pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung magiging itsura. So, I think we can use this one. But in the future, I will just delete this or maybe this one. Okay. So let me just download it. Okay. Okay. Let's go back here. No. And then ang gagawin mo to upload your your image, just click yung edit, no? And then all the way here, you can choose image. Okay? So yung media natin zero pa, wala pang laman yan. So you can click upload files and then select files. And then hanapin mo lang yung dinownload mo kanina. Okay? Then insert. Ayan. So yung image, yung article natin will be look like this. Okay? To add more na if we want to add additional information, we can add a caption here, no? So if you want to add caption, let's say for example yung itong image na to, kinuha mo kung saan, you can put a caption, image from Google, di ba? So you can do that. You can also align yung image if it's center, left, or right. And you can also adjust the size. Okay? So maraming size dito, pwede mong pagpilian. So you can also use
Kailan
full.
yung Junakis ko? Ayan. Hello. Narinig mo ako? Yun. Delete mo lahat ng yung inano mo na minessage mo, makita ng isa yun. Alam mo may admin access yun eh.
Sino? Sino po yun? Hello? May narinig ako nagsalita. Delete ko daw yung message ko. Sino po yun? Yung Dennis siguro. Anyway, so yun, wala tuloy ako. Anyway, let me just try some image size, no? We can use different sizes for let's say ito for 450 by 450, yung post thumbnail, okay? And you can also customize yung size if you want. Okay, let's say for example 750 by let's say yung height will be 450 and you can click apply. Then bibigyan ka ng size na preferred mo. So this is 750 by 450. Okay? So I'll just use yung large. Okay, so I'll just update that. So every time na if there's any changes sa website natin, I always update it because yun yung iniiwasan ko, yung mawala yung sinumulan ko. Okay, so I always update that. Okay? So now, second thing to do is we have to add yung article. Okay? So to do that, okay, all the way here sa Elementor again, you just have to click that and then we can now add text editor or maybe we can add text heading. Okay? So sa text heading, syempre, lalagay natin dyan yung or you can also do first yung text editor and second will be the heading. Okay, so ito yung ang ginawa ko dito, text editor tapos heading. Okay, so let me just delete this for the meantime. Okay. So text editor. Okay, since meron akong ano dito title, okay, I can now proceed to a paragraph, no? So I'll just copy this sentences here or paragraph here, no? So paste ko lang. Ayan. And then next will be a header. Okay, so to add that, go here sa Elementor and then go over here, drag mo lang papunta doon, and then this will be header 3 because yung header 1 natin is this one, yung title. Okay, you can also make this header 2 if you want. Okay, so if you want to change, if kailangan mong baguhin yung isang widget or isang items dito, always click this icon, no? Para makita mo yung yung settings. Okay? Always click this one. Okay? So, yung natin dito, yung title dito is how to renew your Philippine passport in Dubai or Abu Dhabi. So, I'll just copy paste this one. Okay? And then paste it here. Okay? Pwede mo i-paste dito or dito. Okay? Yeah. So, I think this is a little bit bigger. So, let me just adjust yung size. Okay, I'll make it header 3. Ayan. So kung gusto kong palitan yung kulay kasi pangit yung contrast ng kulay, okay, ang gagawin natin is we are going to go here sa style. Okay, so click mo na yung icon, yung pen icon, and then go here sa style. And then you can change now the color, text color. Okay, para mag-appear yung ano, mag-stand out yung title or yung header. Okay? And if you want also to change the font style, you can also click here yung typography. Okay? And then click mo lang yung family. Okay? And then all the way down you can choose whatever font style you want. Okay? Let's say ito yung paborito ko, Helvetica. Ayan. And then you can also change the yung weight nung font. Okay? Ayan. So let's make it 500. Okay? And letter spacing, if you want to adjust, you can also do that, no? And yung line height, ayan. Okay? So, yun, meron na tayong konting content and then meron tayong header. Okay? So, the next thing to do is we have to add this one, no? So, parang nagma-Microsoft Word lang tayo. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is I will just drag here from the elements, no? And then copy paste ko na lang ulit to. Yeah, this one. And then paste ko lang dito. Okay? And then again, we have to go to Elementor and click heading again. Okay? And kung gusto mong ulit to, makuha yung settings nito, you can do one thing. Okay? You can delete this, no? And then dito pag click mo itong pen na to, you can also right click and then copy. Okay? Then you can also right click here sa baba and paste. Okay? So para yung settings nito, para yung settings dito sa pangalawa. Okay, so you don't have to go over sa style or advanced para makuha yung settings ulit. So they will be uniform. Okay, so they have the same color, they have the same font, they have the same weight, font weight, etc. etc. So copy ko lang yung number 1. Okay, number 1 daw to secure an online appointment, no? I'll paste. Okay, I'll just paste it here. Okay. And then, pwede ko rin i-copy to if you want. Just copy and then sa baba, paste. Ayan. So, yun na yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yung WordPress is just a matter of copy and paste, drag and drop. So, yun lang. So, madali lang yung WordPress kapag kayo po ay mag-vlogging. Pero ang pinaka-trabaho mo lang talaga dito is you have to create your own content. Okay? So, dito kami natatagalan sa pag-create ng content. Okay? So, yun. Let me check. Okay. Ang maganda dito, ito pa pala guys, ang maganda dito sa sa Elementor or sa WordPress, no? Yung Elementor guys, you can also check if ano yung magiging itsura niya sa mobile. To do that, okay, to do the preview for mobile, you can click over here sa pinakababa katabi ng ng update. Okay, you can check here sa responsive mode. Okay, there are 3 types of responsive mode. We have the laptop view, the tablet view, and yung tinatawag na mobile view. Okay, to check that, okay, click mo lang yan. Yan. So makikita mo ngayon yung sa mobile. So ganito daw yung magiging itsura ng sa mobile. Okay? Tapos sa tablet view naman, you can hover here, no? You can also see kung ano magiging itsura ng sa tablet or sa iPad. Okay? And then, okay. Ayan. Ayan yung magiging itsura ng sa tablet. And kapag sa naman, sa computer, ganito din yung magiging itsura. Okay? So again, so let's say for example, I want to add additional image dito sa pinakababa. Okay? Same thing, all you have to do is go to Elementor dito sa box na to, and then you can drag image. Okay? And then you can also try to upload another image if you want. So let's say for example, let me just copy na lang ang image sa sa Google. So OFW. Okay. Tapos images. Okay. Let me just ito na lang. Okay. So save image, and then save. Okay. So here, okay, sa image again, just click yung pen icon. Okay. And then go over here sa choose image, and then you can upload the files. Okay. And sa ito, hindi download natin kanina. Okay. Then insert media. Okay. So if you did some changes, always update, no? So update. Okay. You can now check also the yeah, you can check this also if you want, no? Dito sa blogs. Okay. Ito. Okay. Ito yung itsura ngayon kapag nasa labas ng Elementor. Okay? And then what else? If you want to add video, that's possible as well, no? So all you have to do is go here sa Elementor and dito sa box na to. And then you can also add video here, no? So meron tayong video, we have button, we have icon. If you want to add Google Maps, okay? Kung yung location, you can also do that. Okay, let's say for example, let me just add additional text here. Okay, then we will add Google Maps para makita nyo. Okay. So let's say this one, number 2 daw. Number 2, okay. Okay. I'll just copy this, no? And then all the way here, I'll just paste it here. Okay. So tanggalin ko na to. I'll just delete this. So number 2, sabi dito, get the necessary documents. Okay. So paste ko lang yan dito. Okay. And then let me add additional editor or text. Okay. So let's say for example, you want to add a Google Map, no? So si Elementor, kaya niya mag-provide ng Google Maps. Okay. So isa sa mga widget niya yung Google Maps. Okay. This is real-time Google Map, no? So to add Google Map here, let's say for example, sa article mo, you want to drive all the readers papunta kung saan located yung yung DFA, 'di ba? Kung saan sila magre-renew. You can add Google Maps. So all the way here sa Elementor, no? Just click yung box na to para makita mo ulit tong widgets na to. Then dito sa side, sa basic, you will see Google Maps. All you have to do is to drag it papunta dito. Okay? Tapos bibigyan ka ngayon ng settings ni Google. Okay? So for example, let's say for example yung yung settings will be like Philippine Embassy Dubai. Okay? Or you can do one thing, okay, para accurate yung location. Okay? Punta ka sa Google, no? Punta ka sa Google. Okay? And then type mo dyan yung location ng embassy. Okay? I will type yung sa Dubai. Okay? So sa Google papakita niya ngayon yung exact location ng Philippine Embassy. Okay? If you are looking for a different location, you can also just type it here tapos makita mo dito yung pinaka-location. So for now, we're going to use this location, no? The Philippine Embassy in Dubai. So ang gagawin natin is we are going to copy, no, the direction or exact location ng nitong Philippine consulate. So to do that, okay, ang gagawin mo lang is to click yung share and then copy mo lang yung link. Okay? After mo makopy yung link, go back sa Elementor, no? And just paste mo yung location dito. Okay? So, okay, sorry. It should be embed a map. Okay? So, you have to get this HTML, yung HTML code. Okay? Copy and then go back here. Okay. Hindi nga siya nag-appear. Okay. Ayan, hindi nag-appear. So let me try another way. I think this one. Okay, itong location na to. Okay. So it's not here sa share. Okay. I think this one, you have to put the exact address. So let's try this one. Ayun. Ayan. So it's now showing yung exact location ng Philippine Consulate ng Dubai. Okay? Then just save, no? Or if you want to zoom it, zoom in, you can also do that, no? Zoom out or zoom in. Okay? Ayan. You can adjust the zoom. Ayan. Okay, you can also adjust the height ng Google Map. Okay, so if we do that, no, you will see the changes. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, then just click update. Okay. So again, if you want to add Google Maps, no, you can just go here sa basics ng Elementor and all the way down here you will see Google Maps. Okay? Then afterwards, you will see the settings. Pag drinag mo na siya pupunta sa article mo, you will see the settings, no? You have to put the address, no? You don't have to put the link. Okay? I thought it was the link but it went to address. Kailangan pala talaga yung pinaka-address niya. So, you just have to copy the address, no, from Google. Just copy it here, copy the address, and then you can paste it here. And then if you want to zoom in or zoom out, that's possible, no? If you want a bigger map scale, you can do that. And for the height of the Google Map, you can also adjust, no? Ayan. Okay, and then just click update. So every time na may changes tayo, I always update. Okay, para hindi mahuli yung lahat. I mean, pag nagka-problema, pag biglang nag-shutdown yung computer ko, at least marirecover ko pa siya. Okay? So, now we are going to add video, no? So si WordPress, he can also add a video, either yung video is locally. I mean, pag sinabi ni locally is ang source niya is galing sa computer mo, and yung video naman pwede naman manggagaling sa YouTube. Okay? Ang advice ko lang kapag nag-add kayo ng video sa sa page nyo, no? I always recommend na it should be galing sa ibang platform. Kasi ang tendency niyan kapag nag-add kayo ng ng video sa website nyo, bumabagal siya kasi yung rendering niya medyo matagal. Okay, so what we do is we always embed videos from different platforms like YouTube. Okay, so we will try to add a video dito sa article natin. So I'll just go here sa Elementor ulit. Okay, and then dito you will see video. Okay, tapos drag mo lang pa dito sa baba. Okay. Ayan. So you can put YouTube video here, a link. Okay. And then ayan, dito self-hosted, no? You can upload the video. Okay. So sa source you can choose whatever you want, yung mga video platform, no? And then pag sinabing self-hosted, ito yung galing sa computer mo. Okay, so let's try to put YouTube, no? So let me just try to put a sample image sample video from YouTube. Okay? All you have to do is go to YouTube, and then kung meron kang channel, no? Let's say for example, I'll put mine. Or maybe let's put this guy. Okay? And all you have to do is to copy the link, no? Yung URL nung video dito sa browser. And then copy mo lang 'yan, and then you can now paste it dun sa Elementor mo. So yung source is YouTube, and then paste. Then you will see now the video. Ayan. Okay? So you can also set the start time, no? Kung saan mo gusto mag-start yung video. You can also put end time kung sa anong time ba gusto mo mag-end yung video. Okay? Tapos yung video option, if you want autoplay or naka-mute or naka-loop, that's possible, no? And image overlay, no, we don't need that. Okay. Then sa style naman, if you want to adjust the ratio nung video, you can adjust as well, no? And CSS filters, we don't need that. Okay. And margins. Okay. Sa advanced, you will see you can adjust the margins. Okay. When you adjust that, you will see na nag-adjust yung margins niya from right, left, top, and bottom. Okay. You can also adjust it. Like let's say for example, you want to adjust only the top margin. You can also do that by clicking this one. You can unlink that. Okay, para hindi sumabay yung right, bottom, tsaka left. So if you want to put different margins sa top, you can do that. Okay? Basta naka-unlink lang to. Okay? Pag naka-link kasi to, okay, naka-gray siya, meaning to say, from lahat ng margin, kung ano yung size na minove mo sa top, sabay-sabay sila. Okay? Pero pag naka-unlink siya, no, you can adjust yung top. Okay? You will see here sa baba naman kung ano yung ina-adjust mo. Kung top ba, kung right, bottom, or left. So let's say for example yung top, I want it into 70. Okay, yung right tsaka bottom and left hindi sila nag-move kasi hindi siya naka-link. Okay? So I think that's pretty much sa sa advanced. You can also add motion effect if you want. Yung motion effect yung kahapon yung pinakita natin. So every time na mag-loading siya, no, you will see the effect nung nung section or nung widget. Okay? So I'll just put it none. Okay? So let's go back sa sa content. Okay? So this is the video, no? If you want to upload, you just click mo yung source and then self-hosted. Then you can now upload your own video. Okay? So, yun. Let me just update this and check kung ano yung itsura niya sa um, sa computer view. Okay? If you want to see if how it's gonna look like sa tablet, you can also click here, no, dito sa baba sa katabi ng update, no. Just click that, yung responsive mode, and then tingnan mo yung kung anong itsura niya sa mobile, sa tablet, no. You can check. Okay? Mobile, yan. Ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Yan. Okay? Ayan. Okay? So, yun. So let's say guys, ito na yung tapos na yung natin, yung article natin. Okay? So now we are now going to organize all the articles, no? So let's say I will just duplicate this para na tayo, parang madali lang tayo. Hindi na ako create pa ng another article. So I will just duplicate it para makita natin yung arrangement ng natin nung blog site natin or blog page. Okay? So I'll just exit and then go back to dashboard, no? Okay? So let's pretend na we have 2 or 3 articles. Okay? So ito yung article natin, yung article 1. Okay? So ito yung default article or default post. So this is hello world, no, para may makita lang tayo. Si WordPress, they always have yung mga sample pages, default pages, mga default post, 'di ba? So ito generated to ni WordPress. So every time na meron ka ng WordPress, no, pag bagong WordPress, they always have this default pages or post. Okay, so we don't need this. I'll just put this into trash. And then, okay, ito na yung ginawa natin kanina. So I think we can duplicate this. Wala siyang duplicate. So I think, okay, let me try to create another one. No. Okay, before I do that, no, If you have any question, guys, please let me know. Sabi dito ni Eric, or sabi ni Eric, sir, may bayad ba itong WooCommerce? Actually, this is a free version. We're going to use free version, but if you want, pwede mo naman siya i-upgrade into premium plugins. Okay? Sa free version, no, you have limited features kapag gagamit ka ng WooCommerce. Kapag gagamitin mo yung pro version or yung premium version, okay, you have to pay for the premium version. Tapos yung mga features doon, you can now use yung mga wala sa free version. So ang sagot ko, may bayad, pwedeng hindi ka magbayad. It's up to you, no. So yes or no yung sagot doon. Okay? But you can use WooCommerce, no. I'm using WooCommerce, but it's free version. Sabi ni Roxanne, Coach, yung sa plugin, lahat is bundle na po ba sa WordPress or another bayad? Sa WordPress, guys, we have different plugins. Yung mga plugins na yan, they have different developer, or they have different yung mga owner or company owner. So may mga company na nagde-develop ng plugins para magamit sa WordPress. So hindi siya bundle. So you have to download a lot of plugins para maging interactive yung website mo. So kung napansin nyo, guys, we have different plugins, no, na in-install yesterday. So ito yung mga sample, no, Envato, Elementor, WP Live Chat, SeedProd. So iba-iba yung may-ari nito, iba-iba yung mga developer. Okay? Sabi ni Weng, Coach, paano pala maglagay ka ng payment part sa website? Yun ba yung checkout? Yes, yun na yun. So ituturo ko yun sa inyo pagdating natin sa WooCommerce. Maybe later, after nitong vlog na to, then we'll move to WooCommerce. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng payment. And I will also explain to you kung ano ba yung mga kailangan mo para makapag-generate ka ng payment gateway doon. Okay? Sabi ni John, sa mga images, paano ka makakaiwas sa copyright issue? May way ba para makakuha safe images, lalo na pag di ka naman magaling sa Photoshop? Well, that's a good question, no? Sa dito, okay, I will show it to you kung paano mag-upload ng mga videos, mga stock videos na hindi ka makaka-copyright. So for example, you are going to add additional article. Let's say for example, how to cook rice. Okay, or maybe let's pretend this will be our article. So how to cook rice. Okay, or maybe let's say how to cook adobo. Chicken adobo. Okay. And then after making or creating title, just click publish. Okay. And then pag publish na siya, okay, nakita mo dito post published. You can now edit with Elementor. You can now click yung edit Elementor. So now we're going to build yung article. Okay. So to get some images, stock images para sa dito sa website natin na hindi ka maka-copyright. We have yung tinatawag na Envato. Okay? Sa Envato meron siyang mga stock images. Okay? So to do that, okay, kuha tayo ng isang example na photo galing dito kay Envato. So kanina, no, every time na magki-create tayo ng content, no, we always click this section or structure. So ngayon we are going to click yung Envato. Kaya nag-install tayo ng Envato kasi si Envato it's giving free blocks. Pag sinabing blocks, yung mga designs. Okay, let's say for example, footer, header, callouts, testimonials, etc. etc. Papakita ko sa inyo ngayon. So yung Envato, ang gamit niya, okay, sa Elementor, pag click mo yung Envato, you will get free kits, okay, and free blocks. Okay, sa blocks you will see here, no? Sabi dito, sa blocks, you will get about page, you will get call to action, you will get contact, copyright, FAQ, featured product, featured and benefit, etc. etc. So nandito na siya lahat, no? You can also get hero, okay? You can also get image gallery, logo grid, tapos yung newsletter subscription, okay, pop-up, pricing menu, pricing table, services, etc. etc. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kahapon na hindi na natin kailangan magpakahirap pa para gumawa ng ano ng yung contact us, no, kung napansin niyo kahapon. Sobra pang daming ano siya, ang dami pa nating pinagdaanan na changes. I mean, you have to do change the font style, you have to change the color, no? You have to create 2 columns. Pero dito sa Envato, meron na siyang meron siyang free feature na it will just show you kung ano yung kailangan mo. Let's say for example, ang kailangan ko lang is let's say footer, no? Sa footer, it will show you some pag clinic ko yung footer, no, na blocks, it will show you some samples ng footer. So you can use this, no? You can use this footer para i-apply dun sa WordPress mo. So let's say for example, ito gusto mo to. You just have to click insert in template. Okay, let's say for example, you want to use ito. Okay? Ito. So meron na siyang mga example na pwede mong gamitin. Okay, let's go back sa free blocks. Okay, let's say for example, I want to put about page. Okay, sa about page, meron siyang iba-ibang template. Ayan. So you will see now here, may mga iba pa siyang mga template. Okay, so ito meron about page dito, about us, no? So ayan, so sobrang dami pa siya. Ayan, so you just have to scroll all the way down para makita mo yung mga iba-ibang sample niya. So let's say for example, I want to add about us dito sa ano, sa blog natin. Okay? Let's say for example, ano maganda. Let's try this one. Services, okay? So we will have this option. Okay? So click mo lang yung insert template, then antayin mo lang ma-import siya, no? Makita mo yung progress dito, 50%. Antayin mo lang siya mag 100. Pag okay na, it will now display it to your page. Ayan. So wala ka nang ginawa. Ang gagawin mo lang is you have to edit all these fonts, no? If you want to change the image, you can do that. So let's say for example, okay. Let's say for example, I want to edit this text or yung title, no? You can do that. So just click yung icon na to, yung edit icon, okay? Lagay mo dyan how to cook adobo or chicken adobo. Okay? You can also adjust, no? If katulad dito, hindi makita yung ano, you can also adjust the columns, no? Kung nakita mo may parang, ayan, no? Makita mo, pwede mo siyang i-adjust papunta dito. Ayan. So may column dito, may column pa dito, may column dito, no? So it depends dun sa ano sa Envato kung ano yung paano yung pagka-design nila. So you just have to adjust. Okay? So meron na siyang free image, no? You can use that na. So this will not be copyrighted. Okay? So you can also adjust ito, no? Or you can just delete this column. Okay? Delete. Yeah. And then you can adjust yung column. Ayan. Okay? And let's say for example, ito, gusto mo i-adjust to, just click yung icon na to and then edit mo lang dito sa left side, no? Number 1, get a chicken. Ganun. Tapos chop it into pieces. No? Tapos et cetera. Diba? And then, ito naman, if you want to change the title, no, you can also do that. Just click that and then, ayan, cooking show. Ayan. Or let's say, cooking tips. Okay? If you want to change the color, you can still change the color, no? By going here sa style. No? You can change the color if you want. No? Ayan. Okay? And then, ayun. So we have, we already have, let's say, a sample article. So how to cook a chicken adobo. So since wala akong chicken adobo dito, no? I mean, wala akong image na chicken adobo, we'll just pretend na this is a chicken adobo. Or if you want, we can also change the the image, no? So all the way here sa style, okay? Click mo lang yung column, okay? Click mo lang yung column tapos punta ka dito sa style and then choose image. Okay? So yun, sabi ni Edlin, meron pong free images. Actually, meron talagang mga free images. You can download images from freepic.com. Shutterstock hindi siya libre, may bayad siya. You can purchase there. Ano pa ba yung mga free images? Yun lang yung alam ko, yung free pick. Kasi yung doon ako kumukuha ng mga images tapos malinaw siya. Then you can also modify that sa Canva if you don't have any knowledge sa Photoshop. Sabi ni Romeo or ni Romeo, Ace, will this video be posted on your YouTube channel as well? Yeah, it will be, but I think I'll just post it by next week or the next couple of weeks. Sabi ni Dennis, Coach, may way ba sa Elementor na mag-template to make use of the same format ng first post na ganun din ang format na gagamitin sa succeeding post mo? Actually, there's a plugin, no, na you can just duplicate, okay, or you just have to duplicate yung post na yon. But I don't know what plugin is that, pero merong way doon para ma-duplicate mo yung page na yon or yung article na yon or yung post na yon. I will just post it sa group, no, kung ano yun. But yung may nakita ko isang website, ganun yung yung itsura yung kung ano yung itsura ng article 1, ganun din yung itsura ng article 2, pero iba yung content niya. So more on plugins lang siya. So I'll share it to you guys kung ma-explore ko yung plugin na yun. So I think meron yan. Sabi ni Eric, Coach, what if you want to review a specific product? For example, specific rice cooker brand name is standard. Where do you suggest to get a sample image na hindi ka magkakaproblema sa copyright ng image? You can do one thing, no? If you want to review a product like, let's say, a rice cooker, okay? Ang gawin mo, kunin mo na yung product mismo na galing dun sa standard na yon na ang brand name is standard. Then you can still post that the photo as long as yung photo na yon lalagay mo yung source, ang tawag doon attribute. You will tell them that this photo is coming from this website, no, standard.com. Okay, so as long as nina-attribute mo yung website or yung website nung kung saan galing yung photo mo, you're still fine. Hindi ka copyright doon. Sabi ni Michael, Pixels, I don't know. Tapos Pixabay. Ayan, yan yung mga free images you can grab. Okay, I think this is pixels.com tapos pixabay.com. Sabi ni Lovelyn, paano po nagkaka-advertisement yung pages, blogs? Yun na yung sinasabi ko, no. If you want to monetize your blog site or your website, no, you have to apply for Google AdSense, no. So sa Google AdSense, guys, every time na may mga readers ka or visitors ka, tapos they click those advertisement, that's the time you will get paid by Google. Yun po yung ginagawa ko, no. Kapag meron akong article, so I got readers. Okay, so they jump to my blog site. Then every time na may nag-click doon ng advertisement, I get paid from Google. I'll show you guys kung ano yung sinasabi ko. So I already registered to Google AdSense, and here you can see here, no. You can see here sa Google AdSense, you'll get paid like this every month. Okay? So every month, sometimes it will be like $400, $500. Meron akong kakilala, nag-Google AdSense siya, yung ano niya, yung monthly niya is umaabot ng $4,000. So sulat lang siya ng sulat, 'di ba? Then yun, ang dami niyang traffic kasi yung ano niya, yung page niya is organic results na lumalabas, tapos ang dami niyang followers sa Facebook, tapos sa Instagram. So every time nagpo-post siya doon, palagi siya nakakuha ng maraming viewers. Lalo na kapag yung article na yun is very interesting or parang fresh pa lang. So dumadami talaga yung readers niya. Katulad ng ABS, just one example, yung ABS, yung News TV5, no, yung GMA, they always post ng mga articles. So every time na na kiniklik niyo 'yon, 'di ba? Tapos pumunta kayo dun sa sa page nila, hindi niyo alam, they get paid from Google. Okay. And there are lots of advertising platform you can apply. No, hindi lang si Google AdSense. There are a lot. Okay. Sabi ni Dennis, sa Google search may settings para i-display niya results, mga copyright free images lang. Sabi ni John, pwede ba yun download ka sa Google image then modify mo siya sa kahit sa anong app? Pwede magamit. Safe ba yun para di ma-copyright? Yeah, you can also let's say for example you have image from Google, no? Tapos yung image na yun, you can modify that in Photoshop. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. So I took some images online sa Google, and then ine-edit ko siya sa Photoshop. So ang ginagawa ko, pinapalitan ko yung color, yung background, tapos piniflip ko siya, tapos pinapatungan ko ng kung ano-ano pa. Let's say for example, a bar or may text, yun yung ginagawa ko. So ang tendency nun, hindi ka na copyrighted kasi minodify mo na siya. Okay, but make sure just ang gawin mo, i-crop mo lang yung image tapos patungan mo lang ng text or kung ano pa man, then I think you're safe na, hindi ka na copyrighted doon. Okay, pero ang pinaka-safe talaga, if you use a photo, no, make sure na i-attribute mo siya. Okay, para safe na safe ka talaga. Okay? Hindi man malaman nung may-ari, at least si Google, he will know na na gumagamit ka ng mga copyrighted na images. Sabi ni Manilyn, related ba yan sa SEO? Yes. Kami kapag yung namin, yung article namin, we apply SEO there para organic yung mga readers namin. Hindi kami yung post lang kami ng post tapos galing sa Facebook at Instagram. So mas maganda talaga organic yung readers namin para legit yung yung pasok ng traffic. Sabi ni Lovelyn, send mo sa amin link, sir. Click ko ng bongga yung ads mo. That's not possible. That will be against the rules ng Google. Ang number one rules ni Google, kapag mayroon kang advertisement sa website mo, bawal ka magsabi. Let's say for example, ako nag-webinar tayo ngayon. So I have like how many, let's say 60 participants. Lahat kayo sasabihin ko sa inyo, punta kayo dito sa link na to, tapos click niyo yung mga yung advertisement doon sa website ko. That's not allowed. I mean, malalaman ni Google. Okay? So pag nalaman niya yun, automatically di-disable niya yung ads sa blog site mo, then hindi ka na makakapag-monetize. Ayan, si Manilyn meron siyang binigay na ng mga websites where you can download some stock images. Okay? So, okay, let's go back, no? So, let's pretend this is another article. Okay? Okay, I'll just save it, no? Okay, then after updating it, I'll go here. Okay, then exit to the dashboard. Okay. Don't worry guys, we will have another webinar about Google AdSense. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-monetize ng blog site. Okay, so let's pretend guys we have two articles, no? So number one, how to renew your passport, and number two, we have how to cook chicken adobo. So now we are going to organize these blogs. Okay, so kanina we have blog page, no, and we have two articles already. So to organize that, okay, we are going to install some plugins para maging maganda yung natin, yung blog site natin. So gagawin ko is I'll go back here sa plugins, no? And then I'll hover my mouse tapos click lang yung add new. Okay? And then sa search, I'll just type or I'll just type post. Okay? Then we can use a plugin called WordPress Popular Post. Okay? By Hector Cabrera. I'll just install it, then activate, no? And then pag activated na siya, all you have to do is go to your blog page, no? And ito yung blog page natin, no? So if you want to edit that, pag nasa back end ka ng website, you can do one thing, okay? Para di ka na bumalik sa sa dashboard. Dito sa taas, sa bar na to, you will see some settings, no? Sabi dyan, you can customize, you can refresh, you will see how many comments meron sa page. You can add, you can add post, media page, landing page, etc., etc. And then you can edit page or you can edit with Elementor. So ang gagawin natin, we'll just click this, no? Edit Elementor. Okay? So automatically, papasok ka na ngayon sa Elementor. No, under dun sa blog page. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is we are going to add, okay? So, it doesn't look good, no? Kasi ito lang yung nakita natin, wala man lang pictures, no? So, ang gagawin natin is we'll just delete this, itong widget na to. Then we will add now yung kaninang in-install natin na plugin. So, it's called Popular WordPress Post. So, ito na yun. So, you just have to drag it all the way here. Okay? And then, bibigyan ka niya ngayon ng mga settings. Okay, so just wait for a bit para makita natin yung results. So, sabi dito, okay, ito yung settings niya. Okay, you can put title daw. Okay? You can put my blog. Okay? Tapos sabi dito, show up to 10 posts. Okay, if you have 10 posts already or 10 articles, you can yung plugin na to, it will show 10 articles. Okay, tapos sabi dito sort post by views or average daily or comments. You can choose whatever you want here. Okay, so I will just post average daily views siguro or maybe total views, no problem. And yung filter niya, okay, di-display niya lang daw diyan yung mga post na within 24 hours. Okay, so you can also try to post yung mga for the last 30 days yung mga pinost mo. Okay? And then all the way down here, okay? Sabi dito, you can also display only posts published within the selected time range. Okay? You can also click that, no? And post type, okay? We'll just leave this blank, no? And yung category daw nung post mo, okay? If you have a category ng mga post mo, you can also do that. Okay? Let me just go back here sa natin, yung category sinasabi doon. Okay? Sa post, you can add category. Okay? So, let's say for example, yung category na yun is more on OFW. Okay, yung how to renew passport. Okay, you just put the name, no? Then slug will automatically generate slug. Okay, then parent category, just leave it none and just click add new category. Okay, so makikita mo ngayon dito yung category ng ginawa mo. Okay, so you have OFW category and yung unrecognized. This is default. So let's say for example yung how to cook adobo will categorize we will categorize that into let's say for example tips, okay? Or let's say information. Okay? So just leave it blank yung sa slug, okay? All the way down just click add new category. Okay? So you have three categories. Okay? So we have information, OFW and uncategorized category. Okay? So ngayon ang gagawin muna natin, we have to go all the way here sa post, yung mga articles natin, and we have to categorize them first. Otherwise, pag hindi siya nakakategorize, automatically papasok siya sa uncategorized. Kaya siya default yung uncategorized kasi pag yung gumagawa ng blog post, nakalimutan i-categorize yung yung article niya, automatically magfo-fall siya sa uncategorized. So to do that, no, to change the category, you can also click edit or quick edit. Okay? So merong edit tsaka merong quick edit. So if you want to change the category, you can just click quick edit. Okay? Then dito sa sa categories, you can choose now here kung ano yung category magfo-fall yung how to cook chicken adobo. So it will fall here sa information. So I'll just update it yung category. So you will see yung bagong category niya. So again, yung how to renew your Philippine passport, I'll change the category into OFW. Okay? Then click update. Okay, so nakaka-category na ngayon yung yung mga article natin. So every time na magke-create ka ng article, okay, you have to categorize it para alam mo kung saan magfo-fall yung article na yon. Okay, so if you write another article about OFW, then put it in the OFW category. Okay, so let's go back here sa blog post natin, no, sa Elementor. Okay. So we have to categorize first kung anong lalabas na article dapat lumabas dito sa blog post. So if you want, let's say for example, yung OFW, okay? Lalabas ngayon yung OFW dito, yung category OFW. Okay? If you want to add, let's say for example, yung information category, it will also show here. Wait lang. Sorry, mayroon kasi naka-unmute. Okay, so let's go back again, no? So, yan, I'll just put those categories here for the meantime, no? And then, all the way down here, naka-screen share ba ako? Hindi. Okay. So, ito yung category kanina, no? So, we have OFW category, information category. So, I'll just leave it naka-check, no? Para lumabas yung category mamaya. And tag post, no? So, wala tayong tags. We'll just leave it blank until all the way here. Sabi dito, sa post settings, no? Dito sa mga sa mga sa taxonomy na to, if you want to show only a specific category, you can do that. Okay, so I'm just putting 2 categories for example only. And then if you have tags, etc., you can also do that. Okay, so all the way down here, we have post settings. Okay, sa post settings daw, yung article ba, ano bang magiging itsura ng article mo? Do you want it shortened title? Okay, you can also show that. No, you want to show post excerpt? Okay, do you want to display post thumbnail? Okay, I'll check all options here. Tapos sabi dito stats, sa stats tag settings, gusto mo ba i-display yung mga views kung ilan na yung nag-view sa article? Do you want to display the comment daw? Okay. Do you want to display the author kung sino yung nagsulat ng article? Okay. Do you want to display daw yung date kung kailan na-publish yung article? And kung gusto mo daw makita yung taxonomy nung article if you want, okay? And then all the way down here, okay? Sabi dito, see a list of support. Okay. So I think the problem is kaya hindi siya hindi siya naglo-load or hindi siya nagpapakita kasi yung themes natin is not supported by this plugin. Okay, so sabi dito, please save this widget or reload this page to enable WPP themes. Okay, so let's try to update it. Okay, and I'll reload it. Then tingnan natin kung lumabas na yung result. Otherwise, we have to change the theme. Ayan. So I think it's not working. Okay. So you will encounter this kind of problems in the future, no? So you have to decide, no? You have to think kung ano ba yung gagawin mo kapag may mga na-encounter ka ganitong problema. So sabi dito, that's why the reason why hindi siya nagpapakita kasi hindi daw fit or hindi daw ano bang tawag dito? Hindi siya compatible sa Teams yung plugin. Okay, so may mga times na gano'n na hindi nagiging compatible yung plugin sa Teams na yun. So you have to look for another plugins or you have to adjust the themes. Okay, so since ayaw na natin palitan yung themes, we will just try to look for another plugin. Okay, so all we have to do is go back to plugins, no? Tapos add new. Okay, and then search another plugin. Okay, just type post. Okay, huwag kayong mag-alala, marami pang mga plugins dyan para sa ano natin, sa teams natin. So let's try to add, let's try to this one. Okay. Pwede nyo rin i-check yung reviews, no, or yung mga number of user nung plugin. Makikita nyo dito kung ilan yung gumagamit ng plugin. Kapag 0, meaning to say yung plugins na yun is hindi siya ganun kaganda. Okay, so I can also install this, yung post grid. I think maganda to. Okay, and then ito, let's try this one. Okay, so okay, all the way down here, install plugins. Check mo yung mga na-install mo. Okay, so tatanggalin na natin yung kanina, no? WordPress, this one. So hindi siya bagay, hindi daw siya compatible sa teams natin. So I'll just delete this one. Okay, so let's try these 3 plugins, no? I'll just activate it and apply. Okay. And let's go back dun sa Elementor. Let's try to refresh kasi meron tayong changes sa plugins. Okay. Okay. Then let's try to add here, no, a post again. Ayan. So we have another ito. We have 2 more options. So let's try this one. Okay. So yung settings niya makikita mo dito, no? So check mo lang kung ano yung pwede nating ma-modify. So yeah, I think we can use this one. So sa title, no, ng widget, you can put title, no, my article. Okay, the number of posts you want to show, you can add up to 10 or 100, whatever you want. Okay. Sabi dito, do you want to open the post link in a new window? So every time daw pag click ng ano yon ng reader, it will pop up sa another window. So yeah, we will try that. Okay. Tapos sabi dito, show post in random order. I don't think so. So mas maganda yung organized, no. So all the way down here, no. Sabi dito maximum length of post title. We'll just make this maybe 50. Okay, sobrang haba yung ano, yung 1,000. And I will show the post author kung sino yung nagsulat. Okay? And show the post categories. Okay? We will show that. And then we will also show the ano pa ba? Yan. Let's try to show some images. If you use a specific, sabi dito, if you want to, ano daw, if you use a specified size following, okay. So I think there's a problem here. I mean, hindi mo makita yung mga images nito kasi wala kang feature image. Okay, let me just update it and let's go back to the blog or on the post page. Okay, so all the way here, okay, balik ka ulit sa post mo para may mga, ano siya, may mga images. The only thing you have to do is go to your post, no? Then edit mo. Every time na magsusulat ka, you should have yung tinatawag na feature image. Okay, so let's say for example, how to cook chicken adobo. Okay, we are going to upload the feature image para pag display natin sa blog post, you will see now some different images, no, para maging interactive siya at maging attractive at the same time. So to do that, okay, to apply feature image, no, we have to go all the way here sa right side and then makikita mo ngayon dito, no, pag in-scroll mo siya pababa, you will see feature image. Okay, so how to cook chicken adobo. Okay, so let me just download some photos from Google, no? Chicken adobo. Okay, pasensya na po sa mga hindi pa kumakain, no? Ayan. So, ayan, let's try to use, I think ito. Mukhang nagutom ako. I think ano ba? Di ba masarap dito? Natataka mo. Hindi pa kasi ako nagla-lunch eh. Yeah, I think we can use this one. Save image. Okay. Sarap. Parang gusto kong kumain ng adobo. Okay. And okay, so meron na tayong chicken adobo image. Sa feature image, we have to set a feature image here. Okay, so I'll just click that and then all the way here, upload, no? And select files. And then hanapin mo yung adobo. Ayan. Just click insert media. Okay. And ayan, you can now set feature image. So may feature image na siya. Okay, just click update. Okay. And then all the way here sa Elementor again, you will see the changes here. No? Yung chicken adobo na to, it will now display image. Okay, so let me just try to refresh. Ayan. So tingnan natin. Ayun. So meron na siyang image. Okay? So if we add additional photo here sa how to renew your Philippine passport, it will also display photo. So let's go back sa post. Okay? And then edit. Okay? Wag doon sa quick edit wala ka doon makikita. So you have to edit, no? You have to go inside the post. And then sa right side, okay, you will look for feature image. And then click mo lang yung set feature image. And then, oops, sorry. Set feature image. And then click mo lang yung photo na gusto mo. Okay, and then set feature image. And yun, meron na. And then update. Okay, update ko ulit. And then when I refresh this, you will see now the changes. Ayan. Ayan. So you will see the feature image, no? And then you will also see the feature image for the another article. Okay. So let's try to modify it again, no? So click mo lang yung icon na to and then let's try to paglura natin yung plugin na to. So 55 yung maximum length ng text and then show down number of comments. So no comments yet. Okay? And yung size nung featured image, no, you can also make it up to yung post thumbnail. Or maybe we can use this as yung large. Okay, I think it's not working. I think that's pretty much it. Okay, so yun. So ito lang yung kayang gawin nung plugin na yun, no? So let's try to use the other plugin. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa Elementor. Okay, dito. Okay, then type mo lang yung post. Tingnan natin kung ano yung kakalabasan nitong isang thumbnail. So ito yung yung ginamit natin is yung recent post with thumbnails. Now we're going to use relate post thumbnails. So dadrag ko lang ito pababa dito. Okay, and then let's see kung ano yung magiging itsura niya. Okay, I think wala. So parang useless yung plugins na yun. So I'll just delete this kasi hindi siya magandang plugin. Yeah. Hindi nga siya yung magandang plugin. So I think we can use this plugin, no? So I think ito yung magandang plugin. Okay. So we can also do one thing, no? We will make two columns. Okay? Kasi okay. So ito magiging itsura ng ano natin, yung blog post natin or blog page natin. Okay. We can do one thing, no? We can make two columns. Okay, instead na isa lang siya, no? We will create two columns like this. Okay. So to do that, just click yung add or yung plus sign. Okay? Then piliin mo lang yung dalawang columns, no? And then you can drag itong isang ito papunta dito sa isang column. Oops, ayaw. Or you can also like right click and then paste mo dito. Okay? Tapos you can delete now this one, no? And then paste mo yung isa dito. So you have 4 articles, no? So, yun, if you want to add more, like maybe 8 articles, no, sa isang page, you can also make that by just adding a columns like this, and then add ka pa ng another structure. Let's say, for example, 3 columns or 4 columns. Okay, if you want also with this kind of columns, you can also do that, no? Tapos yung article mo will be in this side. Okay, then let me just delete this one. Okay, tapos dito naman you want to put an image, for example, diba? And then dito sa image na to, you can also like post this guy here, no? And you can add a editor or maybe a heading. Okay, and editor. Okay, so yan, that's an example of blog post page. Okay, so sa gilid andyan yung mga articles mo, no? If you want to remove the feature image, that's possible as well. Just click this icon, and then all the way down here, no, you can unclick yung show thumbnail. Okay, so you will see now some articles here. Okay, so my article, ito yung isang article, pangalawang article. Okay, so when I click the update, no, you will see now the changes here sa blog post. Okay, so I'll just refresh this one, and then ayan. Okay, so when somebody click yung how to cook chicken adobo, okay, it will jump to another window. Okay, then that's the time you can now read the article. Okay, you can also leave comments if you want. I mean, if yung blog mo is naka-check yung yung comment section, then someone can also leave comments from your page or from your article. Okay? So, yun, before ako mag-proceed, we will now do the Woocommerce, no? Before ako mag-proceed sa Woocommerce, no, we have I have to check first yung mga questions, no? Sabi ni Arlie, hi po, newbie here. Ask ko lang po of yung mga previous video niyo na ganito, saan po mo naka-post or may recorded ka po para ma-watch ko po sana yung pinaka-start ninyo. Salamat. Actually, yung isa naka-upload sa sa YouTube channel ko, and yung pangalawa hindi ko pa siya na-upload. So maybe I'll just upload it maybe next week or sa susunod na mga weeks. Sabi okay. Okay. I'll do that, Miss Christine now. Wait lang ha. Yun, pinost ni Miss Dolly yung yung link ng group, yung group namin. You can join there. You can also check yung mga updates, no, in schedules. Sabi ni Grace Prado, wala pang iftar. hindi po ako nagpa-fasting. Hindi po ako nagpa-fasting. Actually, ang ginawa ko kanina is all the way from meetings, no, umuwi ako para lang mangyari tong webinar na to. So hindi kinalimutan ko yun ng lunch. So yun, sabi ni Romeo, regarding comments, can comments be edited? Can it be hidden through admin access? Yes, but comments that if you want to edit comments, I think that's possible as well. Yeah, it's possible. And can you also sabi niya, can it be hidden through admin access? Yes, you can delete that. If yung comment is negative, you can delete the comments, or you can also put the comments into spam. If spam yung comments, you can also do that. Okay, kasi makikita mo dito. Okay, let me show it to you, no. So when you go to your dashboard, no, you will see here comments. Ito, yan. No, so diyan papasok lahat ng comments. Okay, so each pages na yan na ginawa mo, or each post na ginawa mo, diyan papasok yung comments. So before lumabas yun dun sa sa comment section, you have to approve it first before mag-appear doon. If it is negative, if it is spam, no, you can just delete that. Okay? So, yes, that's possible kasi ikaw yung admin eh. So, you have the privilege to do whatever you want in your website. Sabi ni Gwendolyn, your effort coach, thank you, we appreciate. Thank you so much po. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Sir, paano po nilalagay yung search bar? Okay, sa search bar, if you want to add search bar, no, let's say for example, let's try to put a search bar here sa header, or if you want, you can also add the search bar dito sa page mo or sa content mo sa body. Okay? To do that, no, all you have to do is go to Elementor and then look for search, no? Sinearch mo yung search sa search bar. 'Di ba? Parang meron ako nakitang post ganun eh. Sinearch mo daw yung Google, sinearch mo yung Google sa Google, ginoogle mo yung Google sa Google. So, parang lutang moments. So you can also search yung search dito sa search bar tapos lagay mo dito sa body. So search mo lang yung i-type mo lang sa search yung search. Okay? Then yung Elementor, ipapakita ka yung dalawang elements or kung ilan man naka-install na plugins mo or widgets mo sa website mo, papakita ka ngayon ng elements na yan. Then you can choose from there kung aling elements yung gagamitin mo. So you can also use search, no? Itong search na to, this will be the let's say content search. If it is text search or words, text search or maybe sentences search. Tapos meron naman product search, no? Pag na-install ka ng WooCommerce, at the same time, you will have this product search. No? Pag nag-search ka ng product, automatically makikita yung yung hinahanap mo. Okay, so let's try to add this one. Okay. Okay, let's say for example, dito lalagay ko yung search. Okay. So automatically you can now you will have a search bar. Okay. So sa Elementor, you can get a search element. Okay? If you want to display ito sa dito sa baba, ito, yeah, like for example sa footer, no? You can display that also in your footer. You can also display this search bar dito sa header. Okay? So, yes, you can add search bar. So, just use your Elementor. Okay. So, yun. I think we can now proceed to, I'll just update this, no. Later on, guys, you can also check the site, no. The name of the site is asensokabayan.com. Check nyo yung mga changes na ginawa natin, okay? If you are in your computer, you can now check yung website, no. And okay. So now we are going to proceed to WooCommerce. Okay? So again, guys, sa mga bagong pasok, no? Sabi ni Romeo, possible by certain keywords to hide comment? Is there a script we can use? And also how to add emoticons in comment section. Emoticons, I think naman siya eh. Kapag if you are using mobile, if someone put or leave a comment sa comment section, they can put emoticons doon as general. As default, you can leave emoticons, but yung if you want to, like for example, merong text tapos plus emoticons, I think there's a code there, no? Parang CSS script para sa emoticons na yun. But I think we will not jump there kasi medyo advanced na yun eh, no? Pag nag CSS ako, baka yung ilang participants, baka itong 55 na participants na to biglang maging dalawa na lang, di ba? Kasi hindi na rin na magigets. But you can do that, no? There are also some plugins na you can use you can use plugins para lumabas yung mga emoticons na yan. Tapos sabi mo dito, if it is possible to yung katulad sa Facebook, no, if there's a keyword na parang na-trigger yung doon sa comment, you can like block them. I think there's a plugin, you can also use that, there's a plugin na pwede mong gawin yan, no? Pag may nabasa sa sa WordPress mo na certain keyword, no, na parang spam or parang negative keyword, then automatically pupunta siya sa pending post or pending comments. Then you can sort that na pwede mo silang i-delete. Okay, makikita mo yung mga negative keywords na yun. Sabi ni Rosemary, Coach, on the average, gaano katagal ginagawa ang isang website? Inaabot po ako ng 14 days. So sobrang tagal. Pero meron akong ginawa ng website before. It took 3 days, walang tulugan. Kaya medyo may malaki yung ibag kasi paminsan may mga kliyente na gusto nila na talagang matapos kagad ng website. Ang pinakamabilis na nagawa ko is 3 days lang. Tapos meron akong ginawa ng website, umabot ng 7 days, 14 days, tapos pinakamatagal is 1 month. Tapos sabi ni Manilyn, Sir, di ko inaabot simula. Ano po to? Via local host? Hindi, this is via hosting. Hindi siya local host. Okay? Sabi ni Romeo, correct me if I'm wrong. Is it possible language filter? Yeah, may plugin doon. You can use language filter para ma-filter mo lahat ng, let's say for example, yung mga nagko-comment na mga Russian, yung mga Chinese, no? At the same time, it can block those mga commentators or sa mga spam bots na 'yon. Okay? So, okay, let's go to WooCommerce. Anong oras na ba? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I think we can have 1-hour discussion about WooCommerce and we will continue tomorrow. Okay? So WooCommerce, guys, okay, if you are planning to create an online store, okay, or if you are planning to create a dropshipping store, okay, you can use WooCommerce. Okay, si WooCommerce, meron siyang magagandang features, no? Sa features na 'yon, okay, okay, sa features na sorry, nawala yung video ko. Okay. Sa WooCommerce, okay, ito yung ginagamit namin kapag gumagawa kami ng e-commerce website or online store. Okay? So, kapag meron kang WordPress, no, you can convert that into e-commerce website. Okay? So, all you have to do is to download this plugin called WooCommerce. So, pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, no, kung install natin yung WooCommerce. Okay? Sa WooCommerce, guys, you can generate product display. Okay? You can generate a cart page. You can generate checkout page. And you can also generate payment gateway page. Okay? So, the first thing we have to do kapag kayo ay mag-open ng online store is you have to first gather a lot of images. No? So I will show you one example na meron ako. Okay, so sobrang gulo ng desktop ko pero I'll show it to you guys. So meron ako ditong mga images, no. So these are all examples of my products, no. So syempre, for example, if you have one t-shirt, no, you have different variants as well, no. So kung sa isang t-shirt meron kang sa sizes, okay, you have small, tapos you have medium, you have extra large, you have extra large, double extra large, no. So that's what we call variants. Okay, so every variant you have to create different sizes of images. I mean, kung small, no, kailangan small din yung size. Okay, kapag large naman yung size. Okay, tapos sa pagdating naman sa kulay, for example, okay, let's say for example this one, let's say ito Nutella. Itong Nutella to, itong design ko, okay, I have different variants. So sa Nutella design, I have 5 colors for every I mean, I have 5 colors in just one design. So yung Nutella, we have black, we have blue, we have green, we have gray, we have white. Okay? And yung pambabae naman, okay, we have different sizes as well. I mean, we have different colors. Okay, so this is 6 colors, no? Then same designs. Okay, so every design you have to create different colors, you have to create different sizes. Okay? So first thing to do, okay? We have to go all the way here sa homepage natin, okay? And then go here sa products. Okay? So medyo ano na to sa online store or sa e-commerce. Kailangan makinig tayo mabuti para matutunan natin yung paggawa ng online store. So we have to display dito sa products ng different products. Syempre, di ba? So we have to display different products with different colors dito sa product page. Okay? So to do that, we have to upload first the products. Okay? So to do that, we have to go all the way here. Okay, let me just refresh this. Okay, or balik ako sa dashboard ko, W admin. Okay. So we have to upload first a product. Okay. So to upload the product, okay, you have to go all the way here sa baba. Okay, magkatabi sila, si Woocommerce and products. So nung in-install ko si Woocommerce plugin, automatically naglabas siya ng tools na products, analytics, tsaka marketing. Okay, if you are running ads on Facebook or Instagram, you can use marketing. Okay, you can link your WordPress website or online store dito sa WooCommerce. Under WooCommerce yung marketing. Okay? So dito mo i-link 'yon yung tinatawag na Facebook pixels. Okay? So but first thing to do we have to do is yung product. So hover mo lang yung products and then all the way down here you have to add new. Okay? So we are now going to add a product. So let's say for example, I'm going to add yung Nutella. Okay, so I'm going to add a product for men and for women. Okay, so let's say for example, Nutella t-shirt, men, black. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, pag nag-add ka ng product, you have to put the title of the product. Okay, and all the way down here, okay, you can create a description. Okay, so let's say for example, cotton 80%, tapos 20% polyester 20%. Okay, let's say yan yung ano natin description natin. Okay, then all the way here sa baba you will see a product data. Okay, so wag muna tayong mahilo. Okay, ang una natin gagawin is to create product title and then description. And ang gagawin natin sunod is we are going to add a category. Okay, sa category we will add men t-shirt. Kasi yung gagawin natin is for men. Okay, so we will add category which is called men t-shirt. Okay, pagkalagay mo ng category, you are now going to add new category. Okay, kasi pag hindi mo linagyan siya ng category, automatically it will fall here sa uncategorized. Okay, and then it will also we will also add this to a category called t-shirt. Okay, so since t-shirt yung binibenta natin, so we will add a category called t-shirt. Okay, and then we can also add a category called apparel. Okay, so we have 3 categories. So itong t-shirt na to, it will fall to 3 categories. Okay, apparel, t-shirt, and men t-shirt. So kung meron ka ng meron ka ng title, meron ka ng description, no? You have also category, you can now put price. Ayan. So let's say yung price na to is 599 pesos, or we will change the currency later. Okay, it should be here. sa regular price because this is the sale price, no? If you want to run a sale, no, you can schedule a sale. Let's say for example, this will be like during the sale, no, it will be only 399. Okay, then you will set a schedule kung kailan yung sale mo, okay? You can click that and choose the date. So it will start from today until Saturday or Sunday. Okay? Then every time na may changes ka, you have to publish. Okay, para hindi mawala yung ginawa mo. Okay? And then all the way down here again, okay? You can put a short description down. Okay, you can put a short description. Maybe sa short description you can add yung size, no? Size available. Or maybe yung let's say size, or let's say you Asian size. Okay? Okay. Okay. Tapos lagay natin non-branded. Okay? And then syempre kapag may product ka, no, you have to display an image. Okay? So to do that, all the way down here again, no? So ito yung title ulit, tapos yung description, tapos yung price, no? And then yung short description. Dito sa right side, you will see here yung product image. Okay, let's say for example, I will set a product image. Sabi ko doon, black Nutella design for men. So I will just go to upload files and then select files. Okay? Tapos hanapin ko lang yung files na yun. Okay? So dito yun. Products. Okay, female. Okay, hanapin ko lang yung Nutella. Yung black gagamitin natin. Okay, and open. Then tayo mo lang mag-upload. Okay, sabi dito, post processing of the failed because the server is busy, does not have enough resource. Uploading smaller image will have. Okay, so I think it's a little bit bigger. So let's try to upload smaller ones. Okay, let me just close this one. Set product page ulit, no? Upload files. Okay, let me try to upload smaller size. Let's say, okay, let me just open my Photoshop. So kailangan ko i-compress yung size. Para makita niyo yung itsura kapag na siya, pag product page na siya. Okay, so while waiting guys, let me just answer some questions. If you have any questions guys, please let me know. Okay, sabi ni Jessica, coach, sa comment, I think nabasa ko na to. Sabi ni Jessica, coach, sa comment section ba required bang email address ng magko-comment or pwede siya maalis? What do you mean? Well, kapag kapag yung kasi yung comment section na yun, open siya for everybody. I mean, if yung yung visitor is not hindi siya registered dun sa website mo, he or she can still leave a comment. Pero pwede ka maglagay ng restriction na yung makakapag-comment lang yung mga nakapag-register sa website ko. You can create a section sa website mo na parang sign up, no? They can sign up to your page tapos they can post comments. So you can restrict the comment section, or if you want, you can just remove the comment section. Okay? So let me just try to edit yung Nutella. I'll make this smaller. No, para lang, makita niyo yung itsura. Okay, let me just open this one. Okay, I'll make this 350. Okay. Dali lang to, wait lang ha. Okay, so masyadong malaki nga talaga kaya hindi siya na-upload. Okay, or maybe you can also adjust the yung tinatawag na memory capacity nung yung memory capacity nung ano mo, nung hosting mo. Okay? I'll make a YouTube video na lang about that, how to adjust the memory capacity para hindi mo ma-encounter yung ganitong problem in the future. So let's say for example, this one is 1, okay? Then I'll make it medium, okay, para 47.8 KB. Okay, so let's try to upload that again. Okay, so this one, open. Ayan, so na-upload na siya. Set product image. Okay, may product image ka na. Okay, if you want to add multiple image, okay, let me just save this first, no, para makita niyo yung changes mamaya. Okay, so yan. If it is saved, it will, ang sasabihin niya product updated, view product. So you can click here, no, or you can click yung ano, yung permalink. Okay, so let's see kung ano yung itsura niya. Ayan. So naka-sale siya kasi naglagay tayo dito ng ano, ng sale. Diba? So you can also remove that if you want, no? Cancel that, no? And then update ulit. So pag refresh ko to, no? Pag refresh ko yan, automatically mawawala yung sale. Ayan. So meron na tayong isang product. Okay? And then meron dyan nakalagay yung ano, yung amount, no? 599 pounds. I will change the currency, don't worry. Tapos yung short product description, and then yung categories niya. Ayan, makita mo yung categories niya. And then yung description, you will see also the description below. And kapag may mga reviews, no, you can also open yung reviews. Okay? So anyone can leave reviews as long as hindi siya na restricted. So you can also remove reviews, no? So dito sa edit products, no? Balik ka dito sa edit products and then all the way here sa baba. Okay. All the way sa baba, yan. Yan, I think nakikita ko lang to kasi nakalagin ako as admin. But you can restrict this, no? If you don't want to see reviews, you can remove reviews. Later on, I will show it to you. So yun, we have already a product, no? Yan. You will see, no? Minumove ko yung arrow para makita yung parang actual na itsura nung product. So if you want to add additional images, no, nalalabas dito sa baba, no, ang gagawin mo lang is all the way here sa pinakababa ng product image, you can also add gallery image. So ano linalagay sa gallery image? Ang linalagay sa gallery image is yung mga, let's say for example, yung black t-shirt. Okay, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung magiging itsura kapag may additional image. Let's say for example, yung textile. Okay, yung textile niya maybe like this, no? Okay, and let's say for example, black shirt, black view. Let's say for example, gusto mong i-display yung itsura ng likod, no? You can also do that. Let's say this one, let me just save this. Okay, so go back sa edit sa product page, no? So ito yung main page, ito yung main product image, no? Sa baba sa product gallery, you can also add additional products or images. Okay, so let me just upload those images na dinownload natin. So sa desktop, it's this one and this one. So parang additional image lang siya, no? So parang additional image lang siya na pinapakita natin kung ano yung itsura ng talagang product. So when ito, makita niyo na yung ano diyan, yung additional product. Additional image ng product. So you can also rearrange that, no? You can also add more, maybe 6 maximum images, no? Pag in-update ko to, tingnan yung mangyayari. Okay? So pag refresh ko to, no? Ayan. So makikita mo na yung actual na design. Yan. Yan. So pag tinignan nila, ay, ito po yung magiging itsura ng t-shirt, di ba? So they can also check yung sa back view, no? Yan, ito yung magiging itsura. Okay? Tapos ito yung sa front design. Okay? So, let's try to change the um, uh, currency. Okay, but before that, let me just read some questions. Sabi ni Lavelin, pwede din po ba maglagay ng product video? Yes, you can also upload product video. Okay, just upload tapos piliin mo lang doon kung alin yung video na gusto mo. Okay. Sabi ni Grace, sir, pa-share naman ng Adobe Photoshop na gamit mo. Ang ginagamit ko po is CS3, no? This is the very old version ng Photoshop. Okay. So, kung gusto mo, I'll just share it sa group later. Okay. Sabi ni Romeo, how to set price range depending on size, color, design, and how to add zoom option to foreground, 3 to 4 of the screen. Okay. Masyado tayong advanced, Sir Romeo. Wait lang ha. Isa-isa lang kasi yung mga kasama mo dito, yung mga baguhan, no, hindi sila ganun ka-advanced katulad mo. So please wait lang. Okay, isa-isahin natin. So we will add colors and design, and we will add zoom option. Okay, para makita yung pinagsasabi mo na na zoom. Okay, we will add additional plugins for that. So wait lang ha. Isa-isahin natin. So right now we will change the currency. Okay, kasi naka-pound siya. So if you are going to sell in Philippines, we'll change that into Philippine peso. Sabi ni Jessica, inopen ko kasi yung website na ginawa niyo kanina and nakita ko na required sa comment section ang name and email ad before makapag-comment. What if ayaw ng commentator na mag-iwan ng email ad niya? In my own experience kasi mahilig ako mag-comment but I hate it kapag hihingin pa ng email ad kasi may possibility na mag-send sila sa email ad ko ng mga about sa website na yon. Naka-restrict siguro yon. So let me check first, no. Tatanggalin natin mamaya yung restriction ng pwede kang mag-comment. Okay, so first we have to change first the currency, no. So makikita niyo dito yung currency is naka pounds, no. Para mapalitan yan, all you have to do is to go all the way here sa Woocommerce, no? Click mo yung Woocommerce. Okay? And then, makita mo yung dashboard ng Woocommerce. Okay? You can set that, you can skip, no? You can just skip that. Kasi hindi pa siya nakaset up kanina. So, if you want, you can also set up yung ito, yung Woocommerce. But for the meantime, no, I'll show you kung paano palitan yung currency. So all the way here sa baba sa Woocommerce, no, you can hover the Woocommerce, then you will see settings. Click mo lang yung settings. Okay? And then all the way here sa payment, okay? Just click yung payments. Okay? Sorry, I think here sa advance or sa products. Okay, nasa products ata yun. Okay. So sa products, hanapin mo lang yung or nasa general. Let me just check. Ayan. Ayan. So nasa general siya. Okay. And then all the way down, okay, you can change the currency. Okay. You can change it into Philippine peso. Okay. You can also change that into US dollars. Okay. You can also change that into dirhams if you want. Okay. You can also change that into Singaporean dollars. Lahat ng currency nandito. But let me check kung nandito yung sa North Korea. Yun, meron din pala. Okay. So let's set this into Philippine peso. Okay. Tapos yung position daw nung nung currency, kung gusto mo sa left or sa right, okay, you can do that. Left with space or right with space. So let's try left with space. And yung separator ng 1,000 is comma, decimal, separator, okay, period, and number of decimals. We'll just leave this into 2. Then just click Save Changes. And then pag pumunta ka na ngayon dun sa product page mo, no, you can now refresh that and see kung ano na yung nagbago. Yeah. Okay, so naging Philippine peso na siya. Okay. So let me try to add an additional products, no. So click ko lang ulit yung products, no, and then add new. Okay. Then let's try to add yung ano naman sa pambabae. Okay. So let me just adjust yung size. Okay. Okay. So para meron tayong dalawang or siguro mga mahigit sa dalawa yung product page, yung products natin. I'll add multiple products. Okay. So let me try to add this one, no. Yeah. So I will add Nutella t-shirt women black. Okay. And then I'll just copy this. Okay. And then sa category naman guys, okay. So since t-shirt siya, we will add this sa t-shirt and then apparel. Except for men kasi hindi naman siya men t-shirt. So we will add additional category. Okay, women t-shirt. Okay, then add category. So magfo-fall yung product na to sa women t-shirt, apparel, and t-shirt. Okay. Tapos sa price naman, we'll put maybe for let's say 49 peso. Okay. Tapos sabihin natin naka-sale, for example, today until Sunday. Okay. Ang sale price niya will be 390. Okay. And then let's try to save muna, no? Okay. Then you will now see your product by clicking here, product published. Okay. Then yun, ayan. Oops. So, yan, hindi mo makita yung product. I mean yung product image kasi hindi ka pa nag-upload nung design or yung product image. So all the way down, okay, product image, click mo lang yan. Then upload files, okay, select files. Hanapin mo lang yung dinesign mo kanina. Okay, Nutella. Okay. And then open, set product image. Okay. And then publish or update. Okay. And then you can now refresh this one para lumabas yung product. Okay. Ayan. So we have description tapos we'll add short description. Short description will be like, let's say, Asian size. No? Oops. Yeah. Okay. And then check ulit natin. So every time na may changes ka, you always have to refresh dun sa new tab. Tapos check mo kung may additional na pagbabago. Okay, so makita mo yung pagbabago dito. Yan, you will also see the related products. Yung kanina, yung view natin, automatically i-display niya sa related products, no? And this will also show you related products na similar dun sa category na linagay mo. Let's say for example, ito, we are in t-shirts. So, display niya ngayon yung t-shirt for men as well. Okay? So, yun, we have already the price, no? And we also show how to create sale price, no? So, kung mapapansin niyo dito, okay? Ayan, naka-sale siya. Instead na 499, no? 399 na lang siya. Okay, after Sunday, 'di ba? Naka-set siya this coming Sunday, 'di ba? After Sunday, pag nagpatak na yung 10, May 10, automatically babalik na siya sa 499. Okay, ganun yung pag-set ng sale. Okay. So now we are going to add let's sort this out. I mean, let's just sort all the products no dun sa product page. So dito sa products, no, kung mapapansin nyo, wala pa siyang laman. Okay? Wala pa siyang laman pero may product na tayo. So dito guys, ang gagawin is we have to put a piece of code, no, from WooCommerce. Okay? So to do that, no, so may products na tayo, you just have to paste the product link, okay? By going here sa Google, and you have to type yung tinatawag na WooCommerce shortcodes. Okay? So sa WooCommerce shortcodes, ito yung mga shortcode na pwede mong gamitin dun sa website mo. Okay? So wala dun sa plugin, pero nandito sa website na to, yung WooCommerce shortcodes. So you can you can type docs.woocommerce.com. Tapos sa documents, you will see all the WooCommerce shortcodes. So i-display, ipapakita niya dyan lahat ng mga codes na pwede mong gamitin. So if you want to show WooCommerce cart, no, you can also show WooCommerce checkout, tapos yung my account, no. So you can use all these short codes. So sasabihin niya naman dito kung para saan to, di ba? Yung WooCommerce cart, it shows the cart page. Okay, so pag ginamit ko to, let's say for example gusto kong gamitin to. Okay. I can post that itong code na to dito sa page na to, dito sa product page. So to do that, you just have to click edit, okay? And then gagawin natin is we are going to post it here. Okay? Or if you want, you can also post it dun sa Elementor. Okay, you can either post it sa dito directly dito, or you can also create an Elementor para dun sa page. Okay? Para dun sa product page. So, ang gagawin natin is we are going to go inside Elementor. Okay, ito yung product page, no? Then we will add a section. Okay, yung section should be like this, no? Plain lang siya, wala siyang divide. Okay, then we are going to add an element. Okay, so to add an element here, no, we have to go here, then hanapin mo lang yung text editor, no? So since shortcode siya, no, it should be text. Okay, so it should be text. So kaya text editor yung gagamitin natin. So all you have to do is to drag it all the way here, and then yung text na to, you can highlight that tapos delete, and then okay, since siya, parang HTML code siya, okay, you just you can just paste it like this, no, or you can also do one thing, you can also click here text, no, this is like HTML, parang siya, yung visual kasi, no, makikita mo yung output kaagad, no. Pag dito kasi pag let's say for example, papakita ko sa inyo yung ibig ko sabihin, the title. Okay? So wala kayong nakitang code dyan, no? Tapos pag highlight ko siya tapos ginawa ko siyang bold, no, or maybe gawin ko siyang heading, no. Pag switch ko siya sa text, makikita niyo may code na siya. Ayan, no? HTML code. Okay? Yung sa visual, yung pang normal. Okay? Yung walang knowledge sa HTML. Pero pag pag mga web developer ka na may knowledge sa web developing, you can go here sa text, then you can start creating codes, no. So this is a example of HTML code. So every time na magka-copy ka ng code, no, you have to switch here sa text. Okay, so like that. Okay, so pag video mo siya or dinisplay mo siya dito sa pag dinisplay siya sa page mo, automatically makikita mo yung result dun sa page na to. Okay, so since ito hindi siya normal text, no, kasi this is a piece of code, no, it should be always here sa text. Or pag mga WooCommerce code naman, it doesn't matter na na nasa visual ka or text. Pero pag may mga CSS na, you always go here sa text dito sa part na to. Okay, kasi pag linagay mo siya dito sa visual, kung ano yung linagay mo dyan, for example, nag-coding ka, di ba? May mga ganyan. Di ba? H1, tapos, okay. Nag-coding ka, for example, tapos naka-visual siya. Automatically, yun yung lalabas dito. Pero pag ginawa mo yung coding dito sa text, no? Ayan. Iba yung lalabas, 'di ba? So, medyo mahirap i-explain pero I hope that it makes sense, no? Kapag when it comes to coding, you always go here sa text na to. Tapos pag visual naman, wala kang knowledge sa coding, just type here. Makikita mo naman yung changes. Tapos you just have to play around the settings. Okay? So, okay, let's try this code, no? We will display the products. So all the way down here, okay, you will see now yung ganito daw yung lalabas. Okay? So number 1 daw, okay, random items. I want to display 4 random sale products. So you can copy this code, no? Okay, you can copy this code and then all the way dun sa Elementor, no? You can either put it there sa visual or sa text. Kasi WooCommerce lang siya eh. Pag CSS, again, hindi siya pwede sa visual. Okay, pag text, pag CSS again, dapat dito mo siya pinopost sa text or dun sa part sa section kung saan may CSS, additional CSS style. Okay, I don't want to confuse you guys. So we will not discuss about CSS. So since nag-copy na ako ng code ng WooCommerce dito sa WooCommerce documents, I will now copy this tapos paste here either sa visual or sa text. So I will just post it here sa visual. Okay, so I will just update that. Okay? And then tingnan natin kung may mangyayari. Ayan. So nakita na natin ngayon yung isang product. Okay? So since dalawa yung ginawa natin, no? We have to understand first kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng short code. Okay? So ibig sabihin nitong short code na to, yung product daw, okay, it limits only into 4. So it will display only 4 products. Okay? Sa columns naman, each column it will display 4 products. Okay? Tapos yung order by sinabi diyan, no? Nakalagay diyan order by. Okay? 4 lang daw din yung equals to popularity daw. Okay? So i-display niya yung most popular na items. Okay? Tapos i-display niya into 4 columns. Tapos ang maximum product lang is 4. Okay? Tapos nakalagay diyan yung yung class daw, yung pag sinabing class parang yung groups, okay? Yung mga naka-sale daw na group, yun i-display niya. Okay? Tapos on sale, tapos equals true. Okay? So medyo nakakalito pero if you read all these instructions here, no, you will understand. Okay? So let's say for example, scenario number 2, okay? I want to show a product of 4. Okay, limit lang daw is 4 into 2 columns. Tapos visibility will be featured. Okay? So pag sinabing featured guys, okay? So when you go all the way here sa products, okay? You can post or you can choose any products na gusto mong i-feature. Okay, let's say for example, if you want to feature these 2 items, okay, or let me just create another product para hindi tayo malito. Okay, so let's say this will be Nutella pink. Okay, tapos let me just okay. Okay. So let's say for example ito we have another product, no? The product will be pink. Okay. And then okay. So this will be pink Nutella t-shirt, okay? I will change this into pink. Okay? Clinic ko lang yung existing na picture tapos mag-upload ako ngayon ng bago. So let's just wait to upload this one, set product image, no? And then publish. Okay, dinuplicate ko lang yung black kanina kaya mabilis na siya. So when I refresh this or when I click yung permalink, you will see the output, no? Okay. Ayan. So you have pink. Okay. So we have now 3 products. Okay, pag pumunta ka dito sa all products, you will see all the products that you created or you uploaded. So we have Nutella t-shirt pink for women, tapos yung black for women, and black also for men. So I will add or I will duplicate this one para mabilis na tayo. I will duplicate this, then yung Nutella t-shirt men, we will display a let's say blue. Okay, just all the way down, papalitan ko lang yung t-shirt na to. Okay, let me just open the Photoshop tapos i-resize ko lang siya para hindi magka-problem. Okay, so okay, tapos save ko lang siya. Okay, Nutella blue. Okay, click ko lang yung t-shirt, no? Then I will upload files, select files, tapos hanapin mo lang yung naka-compress kanina. Ito. Okay, then set product image, no? Then I will remove this kasi hindi naman black yung ano eh. Ito. So I will just publish and then tingnan natin kung anong itsura niya. Okay. So ito yung magiging itsura niya ngayon. Okay, ayan. Ayan. So we have blue. So meron na tayong 4 na products. We have Nutella pink, black, and blue. Okay, sa pambabae pink tsaka black, tapos sa panlalaki is black and blue. So we have 4 products, no? So for example, I want to make this featured, no? So let's say yung blue, I want to make it featured. So all you have to do para maging featured yung item is to click this start. Okay, that means featured yung items. Pag click ko to, automatically featured na siya, naka-blue. Okay? Pag click ko yung pink, automatically that means featured na siya. Okay? So, yan yung ibig sabihin nitong code na to. Okay? So, I will display 4 products. Okay? Kasi limit lang into 4 into 2 columns, and ang visible niya lang is yung featured items. Okay? So, pag kinopy ko to, okay? And then if I paste this here sa Elementor, no? I will just delete this, no? Then update. How many products will it show doon sa product page? Sige nga. How many products kaya yung lalabas?
2.
Sige nga, 2 daw sabi ni, sino yung nagsabi na yun? 2 daw. Wala pang tama na nakakasagot. Wala. Sabi ni Dennis yung naka-star. Correct. Ilan ba yung naka-star? Ilan ba yung naka-star?
2.
Yun. So, yung naka-star, 2, that means yan yung naka-featured. So, doon sa Elementor na pinost ko, okay? So, i-display niya is yung featured items. Okay? So, 4 na limit na product, no? Then 2 columns. So, pag pumunta ko dito sa product page, pag refresh ko siya, automatically 2 yung makikita. Okay? So, 2 lang siya kasi 2 lang yung naka-featured niya. So, pag tinanggal ko yung isa, okay, automatically pag refresh ko yan, no, mawawala na yung isa. Okay? So again, let's try another code here, no? This will be the last code na lang. So, di-display na lang natin yung mga images or yung mga products. So, okay. Okay, so ito hindi na natin ito maintindihan. I mean, yung iba hindi na ito maintindihan. So I will just display the products na lang. Yung 4 na products na yun dito sa product page mismo. So to do that, no, ang gagawin natin is we have to create or we have to remove this visibility. Okay? Tapos yung columns niya gagawin nating 4. Okay, let's try to update. No, so we are going to display 4 products into 4 columns. Okay, let's try to make this maybe 12. Okay, yung product limit, yung products limit daw is 12. So when I refresh this, no, let's see kung lalabas yung apat. Ayun. So nagsiksikan sila. Okay. The problem is because yung attribute natin sa page nito is hindi siya full width. Okay? So yung behavior ng page na to hindi siya full width. Meaning to say itong nasa left and right is blank, hindi siya editable. So we have to fix first the product attributes, I mean the page attributes. So to do that, all the way here, no? So click mo lang edit page and then palitan mo yung page attributes. So change that into full width. Okay, so ito yung makita mo dito. Page attributes sa right side. So just click that and then okay, click mo lang yan and then make that into Elementor full width. Then update and then tingnan mo yung mangyayari. Ayan. So ayan, medyo ano nga lang siya, medyo tabingi nga lang siya. You just have to I think you just have to fix that, no? We'll just try to remove the sale here. Okay? Remove lang natin yung sa products, no, ni I mean yung sale ng Nutella block. Okay, we'll try to remove that. Okay, so we'll cancel this, then okay, then let's try to refresh ulit. Ayun, ba't ayaw? Nutella block. Nutella t-shirt pa yung block. Remove this, no? Update, and then balik tayo sa product page. Refresh, ayun. So I think the problem is dahil sa mga images, iba-iba yung size niya. So yun, we'll try to fix this later on, okay? So ano, buhay pa ba kayo? Gising pa ba kayo, guys? Sabi ni Dennis, pwede ba maglagay ng multiple short codes sa product page? Yes, you can post or you can put multiple short codes dun sa product page. Sabi ni Weng, so ibig sabihin, coach, di lahat ng ina-upload na products magiging visible automatically. If nakalagay doon yung featured image, no? If you put this, itong code na to, asan na yun kanina? Yung nakalagay yung featured, that means yung i-display niya lang is yung mga naka-feature image. But if you want to display all the items or products, ang gagawin mo lang is you have to remove the word feature. Ayan. So ititira mo lang is products equals limit. So 12 yung products na gusto kong i-display and 4 columns. Okay, so mahati siya sa 4 columns. Okay, you can also make this let's say 3 columns. Okay, or 2 columns. Okay? So pag remove yung featured na visibility, okay, ang matitira ngayon yung products na lang. Okay, so you can also make this product limit into, let's say, if you have 50 products, you can also put that. Okay, so let me just read some questions again. Coach, okay lang po ba yung gamitin si Nutella as print sa t-shirt? Yes. Actually, this is an actual product. So no problem. T-shirt lang naman siya eh. Gising na gising pa, sabi ni Grace. Still alive, gising na gising pa. Ako medyo nagugutom na. I've been talking here for almost 3 hours na. So yeah, if you want, okay, let's continue, no? We will try to we will put some variants na. Okay? We will try to put last na lang, we will just try to put variants na lang, no? So sa variant, we will have different sizes, we will have different colors. Okay? So let's try to put a variant in this product. So yung t-shirt na black na Nutella na pambabae, we will put different sizes. Okay? There will be size na small, medium, large, and extra large. To do that, okay, all you have to do is all the way here sa baba, no? Sa product data, okay? To add size, okay, para pag vinisit to ni let's say for example, ako vinisit ko to, nagustuhan ko to. Okay? Siyempre kailangan pumili ng sizes, no? Before ako mag-add to cart, gusto ko muna malaman kung anong size ba yung available, 'di ba? So since wala pa siyang option dito, ang gagawin mo para magkameron siya ng option dito sa product mo, no? Ito yung black, okay? Black Nutella t-shirt. Lalagay mo siya ngayon ng tinatawag na sizes under sa variation. So to do that, punta ka lang dito sa product data and then all the way down here sa variable, no? Okay. Tapos punta ka dito sa attributes. Okay. So mapapansin niyo guys, dito sa attributes wala pang nakalagay na sizes or colors. So ang gagawin mo ngayon, okay? All you have to do is all the way here sa products, no? Sa left side, baba ka diyan, click mo yung attributes. Okay? Sa attributes, you will create different attributes like size, colors, etc., etc. Okay, so since we are going to add attributes of colors, no? Or let's say size muna, okay? Papangalanan mo siya ng size para ma-determine mo kung anong attribute siya or variation, okay? So name, then slug, just leave it like that, no? All the way down, just add attribute. Okay, so we have an attribute of size. Now we are going to add colors. Okay, sa colors naman, no? All the way down, okay, we will put different colors. Okay, to add sizes, no, dito sa attributes, ang gagawin mo lang is all the way here, just click configure terms. Okay, so sa ano daw sa sizes, you have to put different sizes. So add new sizes sabi diyan. Okay, so we will create small. Okay, all the way down, add new size. So we have small. We have to put medium. Okay, and then we have to create large. Okay, and then we have to create extra large. Okay, so under size we have different sizes. We have small, medium, large, extra large. And then pag tapos ka na dyan, okay, if you want to add more, let's say for example 2XL, you can also add, or triple XL. Okay, so since ito lang muna, apat na size, no? Pag meron ka ng attribution for the size, you can now go back to attributes and then dun ka naman sa colors. Okay? So sa colors, all the way here sa colors, sa configure terms, click mo lang yan and then check mo kung ano yung mga available na colors meron ka. Okay? So we have black, we have white, we have blue, we have light pink and green and gray. So yun yung mga i-add mo. Okay? Sa colors, we're going to add black. Okay? And then white. Okay? And then gray. Okay? And then pink. And then green. And then ano pa ba? Royal blue. Okay, blue, green, pink, gray, white, black. Okay, so meron na tayong attribution for colors. Now, ang gawin na natin is balik ulit tayo dun sa products. Okay, hanapin natin si Nutella, yung black kanina. Okay, since ang gagamitin nating attribution is ito, I mean, magdi-display tayo ng iba-ibang size and colors, no? We can now edit this product na to. Okay. And then all the way down again sa product data, no? Click nyo lang yung ito, simple product, palitan nyo into variable product. Okay? Meaning to say variable, may mga iba pa siyang option or meron pa siyang ibang variant. And then sa attributes, okay? Click attributes And then, click mo lang to. Okay? You can add now size. Okay? Then, click add. Okay? Yung sa size, you have to put all the sizes. So, from small to extra large. Okay? Pag na-add mo na yung mga sizes, just click use for variation. And then, save attributes. So, meron ka ng variation for sizes. Now, you want to add colors. Okay? Sa colors, just choose colors and then click add. Okay? And then, piliin mo lang yung mga colors na available. So, we have black, blue, green, gray, and white. Okay? Then save, or sorry, you have to click first yung used for variation. So, click mo yan, then save attributes. Okay? And then, pagtapos ka na, you have sizes. Okay? You want to display sizes, you want to display colors. Ang gagawin mo na ngayon is, all the way down here, just click variation. Okay? Pag na-click mo na yung variation, click mo lang yung drop down. Okay? Then, create variation from all attributes. And click go. Tapos, pinalabas dyan ng pop-up. Are you sure you want to link all variation? This will create blah, blah, blah. Then, just click OK. Okay, so sabi dito, you added 24 variation. Bakit 24? Because you have 4 different sizes and you have ilang colors ba yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 into 6. So parang 4 times 6 is equals to 24. Kaya siya naging 4 variation. So just click OK. Then makikita mo na yung lahat ng variation dito. So large black, large blue, large green, large gray, large pink, large white, medium black, medium, etc. etc. So ang gagawin mo dito, iisa-isahin mo ulit yan. So yung large black, okay, click mo lang yan, then you can now display a black t-shirt which is large. Okay, then you can also, sabi dito variation price is required. Okay, so you can put the price for large. Let's say yung price dito is 350. Okay, then move ka na ulit sa large blue. Okay, let's try to upload blue. Okay, I think I have to edit that again. Okay, let me edit this. Okay, compress ko lang yung mga sizes na, no? So if you have any question, guys, bato nyo na kagad para mamaya pagkatapos ko nito, I will answer all those questions. So, compress ko lang muna to for the meantime. Okay. 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 Yeah. So this will be blue. This will be green. This will be gray. And white. Okay, so large blue. Upload ko lang yung large blue. Okay, open. Set variation image. Tapos yung 450. Okay. Tama ba yung price ko is 350, sorry, 350. Kapag large daw, 350. Okay. So green, upload ulit. Okay, upload ko na ito lahat para hindi na tayo mag-isa-isa. green. Okay, 350. Large gray, 350. Okay, large pink, 350. Then large white, 350. Medium, pagdating sa medium, let's say for example sa medium, we can increase the price into 400. Okay. Medium daw will be 400. Okay, kasi mas marami yung bibili ng medium na size. So we have to take advantage, no? Oops, sorry. Let me just add price here. Gray. Okay, this will be medium, 400. Pink, 400. Okay, medium will be white. So 400. Oops. Small black. Okay, pag small, let's say this will be 450. Okay, again, you have to take advantage kasi sa small, mas marami yung bumibiling small. Yeah, it's 450. Okay, then save changes. Okay, hindi pa nagtatapos dyan. Meron pang part ito. So second page, okay. The second page, small gray, okay, 450. Small gray, sorry, it's pink, 450. And then sa white, small, 450. Sa extra large, okay, anong kulay yan? Black. Okay, so yung black, so matumal yung black, you can sell it to 300 pesos. So blue and green. Okay, so every time nag-upload ka ng ng variation, you have to put all the prices kasi required siya yan. Okay. And pink, and white. Yeah. So you can also add sale price if you want. Okay. And you can also control the stocks. If wala nang stock, you can also click or i-drop mo lang tong menu na to. You can put out of stock, no? And you can, if may ano ka na, may packaging ka na, you can also put the weight. Okay. But this is optional. And description. Okay. Yung shipping class, we'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay. So let's say yung white extra large is out of stock. Okay. Tapos yung price is 300. So I will just save this. Okay. And then all the way up here, just click update. And then tingnan natin yung output. So wala pa ditong nakalagay na size and color. So when I refresh that, tingnan yung mangyayari. Ayan. So mayroon na siyang additional variation. So sa size, you can choose any size. Let's say for example, medium. Then colors, I want blue. So magpapalit magpapalit siya ng automatically into blue. And then for example, I want gray, no? Yeah, automatic magpapalit siya ng gray. And different size. I mean different colors. White, blue. Okay? And then sa price naman, okay? Makikita mo yung price dito. Okay? Let's say for example, extra large. Yan, palit kagad siya. Tapos small, papalit siya. Okay? Tapos colors. Green. Okay, I think there's a problem with green. Small green, you can check. You can also go back down sa variation. Tingnan mo kung bakit black yung lumalabas. So, pinili ko small, tas green. Lumabas is black. So green, small green. Ayan. So you can change that into green. Okay, and then save changes. Okay, save changes and then update. Okay, so refresh mo lang yan. Then when I choose small and then green, ayan. Okay, then the price is 450. And when I choose, let's say, ano ba yung ano natin, yung out of stock. I think yung out of stock is white into extra large. Yeah. So white, extra large, white. Yeah, nakalagay dyan out of stock. Okay. So ganun yung pag-display ng mga variation tapos pag-add ng variation. So you can add sizes, colors, ano pa ba? You can also add designs if you want. If you have designs instead colors, you can also do that. No? And what else? When it comes to variation, you can also put prices. No, you can also add prices here. You can add let's say for example sa attributes if you want cheap, no, you can add a variation of cheap to expensive, ganun. Okay? So ang daming pwedeng gamitin yung yung attribution na yan. So yun, yan, so makikita mo na yung mga related products, yung mga vino natin kanina. So there are different related products. Okay, tapos yung peak down naka-sale. Okay? And ayun, let's go here sa products, no? Okay. Okay, let me adjust the tag dito. Yung page attributes into full width. So nagsiksikan sila dito lahat. So all I have to do is all the way here. Okay. Nasa blog page. Bakit nasa blog page siya? May blog pala. Okay. So all the way here. Then palitan mo lang yung page attribute into Elementor full width. Just update. Okay. And then go back here. Click mo yung products. Yeah. So they are now into organized product page. Okay. Okay. So let's jump to question and answer muna. Okay. Sabi ni Jess, we can continue tomorrow, coach. No problem. Okay, yeah. Medyo pagod na rin ako. So I think we can continue this tomorrow. So ano pa ba? We will also create payment gateway tapos yung mga delivery let's say for example yung shipping class, no? And we will also put shipping fee. We will display shipping fee calculation na kunwari nag-check out na ako, you will see, we will add shipping fee tapos automatically ika-calculate niya pagdating sa checkout page. Tapos papakita ko din sa inyo kung paano malalaman kapag may nag-order, 'di ba? Paano tayo ma-notify. Then we will also add a plugin para ma-zoom yung mga yung mga products pag nasa doon ka sa each products. And then ano pa ba? We can also exclude kunwari yung online store ko, no? Tapos let's say for example may online store ako tapos dedicated lang siya sa Philippines, no? Tapos may nag-visit ng taga China or taga Hong Kong or Singapore, they are not allowed to to order kasi natin siya, parang i-exclude natin siya. Then I will also show you how to add SMS verification, yung OTP, di ba? Kasi ang daming nagto-troll ngayon na mga na mga user na hindi naman pala order, yung parang kasi dito pag nag-troll ka dito, no, using your mobile number, no, we can track them kung sino ka. Okay, so we always add OTP as parang verification na before you proceed to check out, you will receive an OTP SMS na digit yung mo, yung number mo. Okay, matatrack natin yan. So we will discuss that tomorrow. And ano pa ba? Yeah, pag-isipan ko pa kung anong mga ituturo ko sa inyo when it comes to WooCommerce. So if you have any question, guys, please let me know. Magtanong muna kayo, guys, before tayo mag-end. So sige lang, okay lang. Sabi ni Jessica, Coach, pwede din po ba kami mag-add pa ng images? For example, maglalagay ng size chart, guide, if ever na hindi na alam ang size na fit sa order. Yeah, you can also add yung yung size chart dito sa dito. Okay, if you have a size chart, for example, no, you can add doon sa description dito. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay, size guide. So for example, you want to add a size chart, no? Para malaman nila kung anong size yung mo, yung t-shirt mo. You can also add this one sa description. So for example, we have this size chart or size chart. Okay. Ito yung product mo, no? So here you can add another photo. So you just have to click add media and then upload. Okay? Tapos hanapin mo lang yung photo kanina. Okay, I think this one, and open. Okay, and insert into product. Okay, so pwede mo siyang palaki. Just click that. Okay, you can also choose any alignment if you want. Tapos palakihin mo lang siya. Okay, and then update. And then check mo yung Nutella na t-shirt. Okay, ito. Let's say for example ito. Then you will see now the ayan, yung chart. Okay, you can also add this here sa sa short description. All the way down, okay, you can also add that here. Short description. Okay. Tapos, you can also make this little bigger. Tapos, yung alignment, then update, and then refresh mo lang siya, no? Refresh mo lang, and then you will see the chart here. Okay, hindi lang siya gaano kalinaw, but you can create in Photoshop if you want, no? Or you can ask somebody to create a chart for you. Okay? Sabi ni sabi ni Grace, Coach, parang all-in na siya ng Shopify and Dropify over the Woocommerce. Actually, yung Shopify, guys, and yung Dropify, okay, siguro nag-Dropify ka, Miss Grace. Yung Shopify tsaka Dropify, yung mga dropshipping platform, you don't have to do this anymore, no? Because parang isusubo mo na lang yung website kasi gawa na yung website. Kaya ang binabayaran mo doon sa Shopify tsaka sa Dropify is yung template kasi you don't have to do this anymore. Hindi mo na kailangan hindi mo na kailangan magsimula sa pinaka beginning. 'Di ba? Kasi kung maggagawa ka ng sarili mong store, no, and you don't want to pay Shopify or Dropify, talagang kakain siya ng sobrang daming time. Kasi sa pag-upload pa lang, sa pagdi-design pa lang ng product, sobrang tagal na. Okay? Sabi ni Romeo, man, you can go eat no more webinar tomorrow if no coach to facilitate. No, I can still manage it. We can still continue this tomorrow, no problem. Tapos sabi ni wait lang. Wait lang, i-mute ko lang, teka lang. Ayan. Sabi ni Rachel, Coach, is there a bundle or feature in WP? Anong bundle? Ano pa? Sabi ni Grace, opo, order processing po. We will also discuss yung order processing tomorrow with this WooCommerce. Okay, sabi ni Romeo, anyways, my questions were answered earlier just now. Thanks, man. Sabi ni Chris, hindi po to ano hindi po to dropshipping We will not discuss product listing. Hindi po to dropshipping. Iba 'yon. Product listing dropshipping na 'yun. I will teach you in the future dropshipping, guys. Don't worry. We will discuss about dropshipping. So, huwag kayong excited. We will just discuss WordPress. Okay? So tomorrow I think we will continue the WooCommerce topic. And if you have any question in mind, no, itago nyo muna 'yan tapos you can ask me tomorrow. Okay? Since wala naman nagtatanong today, I think we can end this webinar na, no? So, yun. Sabi ni Dayan, thank you coach for giving your time with us and daming kong natutunan sa inyo. Okay. You're welcome guys. I hope to see you guys again tomorrow, no? And pasensya na medyo nalita ako ngayon ng 30 minutes kasi ang dami kong pinuntahan. Kailangan kong kumayod. So, yun. Itong recording to, we will upload this soon. Okay? So, I hope marami kayong natutunan today guys or tonight. And tomorrow guys, I hope sana marami pang matutunan kayo at sana marami pa rin na mag-attend. Okay, medyo na-bore lang siguro kayo kasi medyo technical na yung WooCommerce, pero we will try to make it simpler, no? Kasi meron kasi akong nabasa before sa registration. Meron na dito mga yung mga millennium na tinatawag. So hindi na nila masyadong makakatch yun. So ang ginagawa ko as much as possible, gawin nating simple yung discussion, no? Kaya ginagawa ko rin Tagalog para maintindihan pa nila. So if we don't have any question guys, no, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Okay, same time, 3 o'clock. So kung may tanong kayo, just keep it that for the meantime. Tapos tomorrow we will discuss that. Okay, so thank you very much guys and good night and stay safe. Bye-bye.